I was actually coming to meet you.
Good morning, my princess.
Morning.
I hope you slept well.
Here.
Oh, you want me to go to the market?
These are the list of things that I need.
Okay, from the market. Okay, I'll go and buy them for you. Huh?
You're getting it with your money.
Sorry, what is this? Huh?
I believe you can read, right?
750,000. Brazilian hair, 750,000. Sorry, I thought you wanted me to go to the market to buy.
I thought you said you wanted to marry me. You want to be my husband, right?
Okay.
So let's start from here.
Sorry, Martha. I cannot afford this thing.
I need all of this before the end of today. That's certainly not what I want to hear.
Well, 750,000 is too much.
I don't care. How is that my business?
Obiora.
Yes?
Take.
Sorry, what is this?
I wanted to get me these things. It's few things. Take it.
For what exactly? Louis Vuitton bag. $2,000. $2,000!
Yes. Can't you afford it? I thought you want to get married to me.
Hold on. I said my eyes are on you. I've not concluded yet. I said I'm here to make my choice.
Obiora, look, I'm a pretty girl. Like, I need things. I mean, scope. I need hairs, shoes, bags, you know.
Sorry, please. Has your father, Mr. Okonta, seen $2,000 before?
Obiora, you want to get married to me, right? Please get those things for me. I don't understand.
Sorry, is this your marriage list?
This is not my marriage list.
My princess, I want to marry you, but the money here is too much.
I need all of this.
Which one exactly?
All of this.
There's Brazilian here, there's
before the end of
there's
today.
Italian shoe, Italian shirt. Italian shirt?
Lest I forget, a wristwatch.
Wristwatch?
Yes. I need pizza and ice cream, okay? Shawarma.
Sorry, you said what?
Pizza, shawarma, like the sun is hot. I need something.
Pizza, shawarma and ice cream?
Yes.
Excuse me, what are we doing here?
I don't understand. You don't want to marry me
is that part of the marriage list?
No.
Pizza, shawarma and ice cream.
Get
so
that
what's the
me.
name of your village? Where are you from? Pizza, shawarma and ice cream.
What are you doing here? And who are these people?
Madam, calm down. We come in peace. Where's your son?
I am asking you a question. Who are you? And you're there telling me rubbish. What kind of stupid question is that? Who are you?
Madam, point of correction. My question was not stupid. I only asked after your son. Anyways, my name is Obiora. I'm a taxi driver. And these are my friends.
Taxi driver?
Yes.
Birds of the same feather. No wonder. And you are with this good digger. Well, taxi driver, my son is too big to be here with you. You are just a nobody for my son to stand with you. So whatever message you think you have, let me have it so I can send it across.
Madam, you called me a nobody.
You are a nobody.
I'm a nobody?
Yes.
Madam, you called me a nobody. Okay. You remember what I said before? I said, I came in peace. It doesn't mean I cannot give you war. Quietly call your son. Let us discuss the reason that brought us here. And we'll go away. We'll go in peace. Simple.
You say whatever rubbish you want to say and get out of here.
Hey, Mama. Hold it there. What is wrong with you? Is it because he's being polite? I don't get it. If you don't bring out your son right here and right now, I'm going to show you the stuff I am made of. Forget my size, oh, yeah? If you don't bring him out now, I'm going to turn this whole building upside down. What is wrong with you?
Of course. Forget your size.
Forget my size.
Of course. Because you are not up to what I feed my dogs. And if you make noise, I will lose them. They will tear you into two. Who the hell do you think you are? Will you shut up?
Oh!
Is it not these urchins and this gold guy?
You again.
No.
Why did you allow them in?
My name is Obiora. What's your name?
Pascal.
Pascal. Is he the one? Look at it very well. Is he the one?
Yes, it's the one.
He's a common taxi driver.
How may I help you?
Young man, where is your father?
He traveled.
When is he coming back?
Sometime next week.
Sir, do you know this girl?
Yes.
Okay. So that means everything she told me about you is true.
I don't understand.
Do you know she's pregnant for you?
For who?
Do you know she's carrying your child?
Oga, are you mad?
No, are you a policeman?
Oga, get her from here now.
Taxi driver.
I should get out.
Get her from here!
I should get out.
What's going on?
Get out!
You are telling me to get out.
I said leave!
I should get out.
Mom. Outside.
Let's go.
You have guts.
Outside, you. Aya, two of you. Outside! Everybody, outside!
Get out!
And you, listen, if I see you here again, I'll skin you alive.
Out! Let's go.
You're a good digger.
Idiot.
If you like, go and bring medicine. Don't worry that I'm on the streets like you.
We shall see. Use the door.
The both of you will regret this.
We shall see.
Outside, everybody, outside.
It's you that shall see.
You know the truth.
Are you sure he's not the one that introduced them?
What do you know?
Because they were there making noise and now. So this girl is still sleeping by this time of the day. Look at this stupid thing. Come on, wake up from there. Are you mad? Stupid. Good morning, Abu. Idiot. Why are you still sleeping by this time?
I'm sorry. I slept very late because I woke throughout the night. Sorry.
So I should fry egg?
No.
What do you expect me to do? Clap for you? No. That you walked throughout the night and slept late? Must you sleep?
No.
If you walk throughout the night, you wait and start in the morning so that you can finish the chores. You must not sleep. Go straight to the kitchen and prepare breakfast. Tidy up everywhere. You know, today is weekend and you're here sleeping.
No, please. Can I change my clothes at least?
I don't want to wait for you. I don't understand Ebube these days. I don't. Could you imagine that Ebube was still sleeping in her room up to 6 a.m. this morning? I had to go to her room to pour her cold water before she wakes up.
Lucy, can you just listen to yourself? Can you hear yourself? That you went to the poor girl's room to wake her up with cold water. Does that sound right in your ears? Since when have you become this cruel and wicked and heartless? Did you ask if she was sick or something?
There is nothing wrong with her. Absolutely nothing. She was just lazy. According to what she said she walked throughout last night, that she walked late, that she had to go to bed late hour. Must she sleep? Huh?
So she explained to you. She walked till late in the night. And the poor girl had a little time just to sleep and rest her head. All you could do was to go to her room and pour cold water on her body. Lucy, since when have you become this wicked? Oh,
just listen to yourself. I should go to the kitchen and prepare the breakfast by myself. Was she not paid? Was she not paid to be doing those chores? Huh?
Mom, calm down now, Mom. Mom, you shouldn't have poured that girl cold water. You shouldn't have. That girl is going through a lot too. The last time she was sick, I was the one that gave her money to get some medication. Mom, take it easy, Pico. Yeah? Now, please, I need to go out. Prepare for work now.
So, you people are condemning me. No, I'm the bad one here. Maybe I should be sharing the chores. I should be dividing the chores between her and him. Yes, now between my son and him, I should be dividing the chores. Your son?
Not my pastor.
Not your pastor.
Ebube.
Sir?
Come here. Ebube, I said come here. How are you?
I'm fine, sir.
No, you're not fine, Ebube. Is there a problem?
I'm fine.
Ebube, I said you don't look fine. What is the problem?
Sir, since 2 days now, I've not been feeling well. My body aches and I don't understand my body. I don't understand.
I guess it's malaria and typhoid. Okay, I'll get you some medication on my way back from work, okay? And if it persists, I'll take you to the hospital.
Thank you, sir.
Have a great day.
All right.
There you go. Thank you.
Madam, wait.
What? Is it complete?
Yes, it's complete. Please, 1 minute.
What is it?
Madam, so this is your house?
Yes.
And because this is the third time I'm bringing you here.
Oh, okay, yes, it is.
Madam, what's your name, please?
My name is Lovette.
My name is Obiora.
Nice to meet you, Obiora.
Thank you very much. I hope you enjoyed my ride.
Yes, I did, but your AC is not working.
I know, the compressor is bad. I'm trying to raise money to fix it.
Yeah, that's fine.
It's okay. Oh, madam, hold on.
What is it?
I've been watching you.
What do you mean?
I've been looking at you through my mirror.
Okay, that's good.
You look like a nice person.
Thank you.
Madam, I'm looking for a wife. I want to get married. And you look like a nice person.
Nice person for what exactly?
I'm interested in you.
Wait, I don't understand. Are you okay?
Yes, I am.
You're interested in me?
Yes.
Wait,
yes.
Is this how you ask your clients out?
No, you are the first person. I've not asked anybody like this. It's because I keep dropping you here. And I keep watching you through my mirror. So I now, said today I will tell you how I feel about you.
Oh, really?
You are very beautiful, yes.
So you really want to get married to me?
If you accept me.
I'm going to try to be nice to you.
But you're already nice to me.
I'm not going to entertain this kind of conversation with you.
Don't sit right now.
I'm sorry, love it.
It's fine.
Please, but I'm a good guy. I'm a very responsible man. Oh. Beware of dogs. Ew.
Sleeping here by this time in the morning. I said it. She's a lazy type. Ebube, why are you here sleeping? Good morning. Not only good morning, good afternoon. Ebube, what is wrong with you? If you know you're tired of this job, wait now. There's a lot of people out there looking for this opportunity, and you're here messing it up.
I'm sorry, ma. Just that I'm very tired.
Please, sorry for yourself. Anyway, that's none of my business. Is my fiancé around?
He drove out about 10 minutes ago, but its parents are inside.
I was actually calling Ebube to know why everywhere is so unkept.
But I hope everything is okay.
Everything is fine. How are you now, Mr. Mommy?
Everything is fine.
Thank God.
But Mommy, when I was coming in, I saw Ebube sleeping in one corner of the compound. And when I woke her up, she reluctantly told me that she's feeling weak.
You mean Ebube is sleeping somewhere around this house?
Yes, ma'am.
Look at everywhere, so unkept. Well, I don't have time now. Let me come back and I'll have a time. She will understand.
Okay.
I'm on my way to my shop.
My Lord. Hey, Mommy, what about Pascal? He promised to take me out for shopping today. But I waited for him, I didn't see him. Only Ebube just told me that he drove out without me.
I overheard him telling his friend on the phone that he's been calling your line and it was switched off. Well, since he has promised to take you out for shopping, I'm on my way to my shop. Let's go, I'll drop you over.
Wow, thank you, Mommy.
No problem.
You're so sweet.
Thank you.
Thank you. You're the best.
Let's go.
Alright, sir.
Father, you sent for me.
Yes, that is it. Your brother, the priest, called from the United States that he will be coming back soon.
Really?
Yeah. And I want you to go along with some maidens to get that place tidy in the city.
Oh, yeah, of course. My brother is coming back. Yeah. This is good. I'll go tidy up the whole place, okay? When exactly is it going?
He didn't specify when he will come. But at least make sure that place is well tidy before he comes back.
Of course, Father. I sure will. This is good. But why didn't you tell me he's coming in? It's okay, I'll call him.
When you get there, do not spend much time. You know your suitor and his people will be coming here to do the marriage rites.
Yeah, okay, no problem. Okay, Daddy, I have to go now.
It's okay.
This boy is full of surprises. He didn't tell me.
This is the last time I will come for a treatment if I did not see money. The last time I will come for a treatment without seeing money.
Nayokoro, take it easy. It has not gotten to that extent. Please. Do you want Mama to die? It's not like I am taking everything you've done for granted. I really appreciate all what you have done, but please, still continue. See, you cannot afford to leave Mama like this. I don't want anything bad to happen to her. Besides, you've been treating other people. I'm sure Mama is not the only patient that you have been treating.
I'm afraid I will not treat her again.
And I know you've been collecting money from them. Please, just do me this favor. Continue treating her.
Listen to yourself. Listen to yourself first. So, Mary, are you hearing yourself? So you expect me to be treating her with other people's money that pay me? So if they pay me money, I will just use the money, go buy medicine, and be treating her with that money. Let me just tell you, I will never treat her again without seeing any money.
Please, for what? If I did not see my money,
until I see money.
Nayokoro, please.
That's the
Nayokoro, please. Nayokoro, see, please.
Please, get it out. Please, when you're not going to
Mama, please, stop, not again. Mama, please, control your emotions. I don't want anything bad to happen to you. Mama, you are the reason my sister Ebube is in the city struggling, trying to make ends meet so that she'll be able to give you a better life. Mama, I want Ebube to come back to this village to meet you alive. I want you to reap the fruit of your labor, Mama. Please. Calm down and be alive for me. It's okay. I'm calling it right away. Let me call her to tell her what Nayokoro said. Oh? It's okay, stop crying. Stop crying. It's ringing. Hello? Yes, Ebube.
Nede. Yes, I've sent the money. Please go to Okoro's house now. Tell him to commence with the treatments. I've sent the money. Yes. I'll come home soon. Please take good care of Mama for me, please. Okay, thank you.
So you mean you have accepted my request?
Yes, I have. But on one condition.
Okay.
I need to know you well before we start talking about marriage.
What do you want to know about me?
Okay, so tell me, where do you live? Where are you from?
I live in the city.
Yes, I know. But where exactly are you from? Your village. I need to know your village.
Oh, my local government. Oh, but you know what? Let us start with the city first. Yeah? We need to get to know ourselves better in the city before we now start talking about my local government. When I know you better in the city, then I can now take you to my parents in my village. Is that okay?
What do you mean? So you don't want me to know your village?
No, I want you to know my village, but what I'm saying is, let us, finish with the city. But do you want to pay me a visit?
Of course I want to. And that's why I'm asking.
Let us finish with the city visit first. Then before I can now take you to my parents in the village. Is that okay?
Okay. It's fine. That's fine.
Can I take you out?
Yeah. What do you have in mind?
I know one joint. They sell fried rice and chicken.
Oh, really?
Yes, you're going to like it.
Okay, I don't mind.
You don't mind, right?
No, I don't.
Okay, let's go.
Wait. Can I have your address?
My address? In the village or in the city?
Obiora, in the city.
Oh, okay, that's not a problem. I can give it to you now.
Yeah.
Come, I'll give it to you now. It's not a problem.
Okay.
You're welcome.
How are you?
I'm fine. How is Ibe and your mother?
They're doing great.
Very good.
Careful, please. Careful with them.
I'm coming.
My brother the prince will be coming back from the States anytime soon. And I need everywhere to be kept clean. The compound. I need you to tidy up everywhere. And then Chiamaka will take care of the cleaning inside. Better still, you both can work together to ensure that everywhere is kept clean. Chiamaka, yes. Better still, you both can work together to ensure that everywhere is kept clean. Chiamaka.
Yes,
Okonta is your senior, you should know that. So I need you to respect him.
Yes,
I do not want any complaint. All I need is a cordial relationship. Am I clear?
Yes, my princess.
Good.
My princess, I heard everything you said, and it's clear and correct. I'm sorry if I may ask, when is this your brother Prince coming back, and how long is he staying?
Is there any problem?
No, there's no problem. I am just asking so that I will know how to, package myself.
Package yourself? And by that you mean?
My princess, You know, I have not seen this your brother before. I don't even know how he looks like. So I need to get myself prepared, you know now.
Okonta.
My princess.
I don't expect you to package yourself. Neither do you need to know my brother before you work for him. I need you to be at your best. Okay? Good.
It's okay. I'm sorry, my princess. One more question. Sorry that I'm asking too much. You know, when we were talking, you said something about cordial relationship. Myself and Chiamaka, cordial relationship. So that means, as we all are staying in this house, we're supposed to be relating with each other. You know what I mean? So I'm just asking if I am free to, you know, talking or relating with her. Just a question. Sorry, my princess.
Feel free to get along. You can go now.
Yeah, thank you, my princess. Thank you, my princess.
You're welcome.
How's she doing?
Naikoro, she's not getting any better. This is the way she has been since yesterday. Since you refused to give her medicine. Even food, ordinary food, she has not eaten.
Hey. Anyway, no problem. You said I don't have to send money for me.
She sent some money. Like, how much is the old one? Like the previous treatments?
18,000.
18. Well, can we tell you? You said 18, right?
18,000 naira.
Okay, this is what I'm going to do. I'll pay you for the old one.
Yeah.
Then we'll start a new one.
Okay.
How much is there?
500.
It's not complete. Okay, that's 3,000. It's complete now. So, I have cleared the old one. So, we are now starting a fresh one.
Yes.
Okay.
You said she has never eaten since today.
She has not eaten anything. See her now, because you have seen money now. Everything is about to come out. Oh dear, I have money. Treat her first. Here you are.
What's the meaning of that? What is the meaning of that, you fool? Come on, get up from there and continue your chores. Are you okay? Make sure everywhere is tidy up. Clean everywhere. Don't know why you're this lazy these days. Behaving like a pregnant idiot. Clean everywhere. Did you hear me? Do I look like your poor wretched mother that you should play with me this morning? Are you okay? Get out from there and continue your chores. Hey! Ebube! Ebube! What is this? Ah! Ebube! Ebube! Honey! Honey! Come on! Please, I don't know. Is this a joke?
What is it?
I don't know.
What's happening?
I was just picking my things. I just don't know. I don't know.
I'm looking at her. Where's my car key? Where's my car key? Look for my car key. Let's take her to the hospital.
What happened?
Come on, look for my car key and leave her alone.
Where's the car key? You are coming out.
I hope you're watching what you wanted now. You will not allow this poor girl to rest. Not even for a minute. As massive as that house is, she's only one in charge. She'll be here, she'll be there. They'll call her upstairs, call her downstairs. Sunrise to sundown. She's working. Now she's in the hospital. Let me remind you. When she dies, don't forget to write on her gravestone, Ebube died in active service, working for Madam Lucy. And should anything happen to that girl, you won't like what I'll do to you.
Do you know I don't like the way you sound at times?
I don't want you to like it.
The way you talk to me, I don't understand it. Why are you accusing me of something I know nothing about? Am I the cause of her problem? What is it?
Sorry, sir, for keeping you waiting.
Oh, my doctor, how are you?
Where is your son? I would like to congratulate him.
My son is at home. Congratulate him for what, sir?
Ebube is pregnant. Is she not his wife?
Pregnant? No, Ebube is not. She's a house help. She works for us.
Yes. Well, I'm sorry. According to the lab results, she's pregnant.
You're lying, right? That's not possible. There's a mix-up somewhere. Ebube is just barely 5 months with us. She don't even know her whereabouts anywhere here. How can you say that? Who got her pregnant?
Well, I'm sorry. According to the lab result here, Ebube is pregnant. Well, madam, you know her better than I do. When you get home, you sit her down and question her. I believe she will have answers for you. Meanwhile, I'll be discharging her soon.
It's okay, doctor. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Did you understand that lab result? Who got you pregnant? So, you've been sneaking around sleeping with men on the street, right? Who got you pregnant? I thought you were responsible. I never knew you were just a rotten egg. Who got you pregnant?
Enough. Enough! You think by shouting and ranting this way, she'll open her mouth to tell you the truth? You think the way you are questioning her, she'll tell you who's responsible for that?
Oh no, I should clap for her. I should romance words with her. I should even fry chicken and egg for her to tell me. Who got you pregnant? Who is that idiot that fixed that thing, that bastard in your womb? Who got you pregnant?
Ebube, you're like my daughter. Since you came in here, I've treated you as one. Please talk to me. Talk to me as a father who is responsible for this. Just tell me the truth and I'll take it from there. You don't need to be scared of anything. Come on, girl.
Look at this idiot. Can you imagine the way she walked out on us? Because you were here romancing words with her. No, you were here petting, you were here dancing with her. To tell us who impregnated her, right? Look at the way she ran out. Let it not be what I'm thinking, because if this is what I am thinking, I will strangle this girl, I will dump her dead body on the street and nothing will happen. I swear to God.
Then you will have me to contend with. What's the problem? If she was a daughter, we don't treat her like that.
The manner of which you romance and protect this girl. Are you trying to tell me something I don't know? Is there anything you are trying to tell me? Ignatius, are you responsible for that pregnancy? Tell me!
Nonsense.
Someone is walking out on me. Ignatius walked out on me. Hell, let it not be what I am thinking. Hell will lose. God, I will strangle somebody in this house. I will kill somebody. I will kill somebody. I will. I swear. I will.
Oh, please forgive me. Forgive me, God, please. It's never my fault. Please, God. Please, God. Comfort my mother. I can't take this shame to her. I can't. I need to end this. I need to end it. I need to end it.
Hey, stop! What's wrong with you? What are you doing? You want to kill yourself, please? Why? Come on, give me that knife. Give me the knife. Come on, just give me the knife. It's okay. You can give her the knife. Come on. What is the problem? You want to kill yourself and put my family and I into trouble? Are you this wicked little bit? Why? See, listen. Getting pregnant is not the end of life. It's not a crime. Okay? All you just need to know is to know who's responsible for this. And I'll take it from there. Okay? You have not killed anybody. Please, just relax. Go to the room. Go and rest. Come on. Come on. When I come back later, we'll talk about this, okay? Sorry. It's alright. It's okay.
Hi, baby.
Love it.
Yes, honey.
What are you doing here?
I came to surprise you. Come here. Baby, come.
You came to surprise me?
Yes, baby.
But you didn't call me. You didn't tell me you were coming.
Yeah, that's the point. I came to surprise you.
Is that why you took my address?
Yes, baby.
Hi.
Are you not happy to see me?
I'm happy to see you, but I wasn't expecting to see you this soon. You just appeared. Wow.
Yeah.
What are you doing here?
When I came here, I didn't see anybody outside, so I decided to sit down.
You didn't see anybody around?
No. Is somebody at home?
Come and stay here. Let me find out. Stay here. I'm coming. 1 minute.
Okay, baby.
Emeka. Yes. And what? Why did you do like this? Why did you do like this? Stop now. Stop now.
Baby, is everything okay?
Eh?
Are you okay? What is it?
Yes, I'm fine. I'm fine. My friend, his girlfriend visited, so they are both inside. So you can't sleep inside the room.
I can't?
I know. I'm warning you. You cannot sleep inside that room.
Baby, if I
know why I'm telling you.
I know you said it before, so where am I going to sleep? Because obviously I cannot go back to the house. It's late. Look at the time. What are we going to do?
And Ebube, I'm sorry to have come to disturb your sleep this night. If you look at the time now, it's past 12, midnight. Like they say, both the living and the dead, they are asleep right now. I came to talk to you as a father. Since you came into this house, I've always trusted and believed in you. I want you to look at my face, Ebube, and tell me the truth. Who is responsible for this pregnancy? I'm asking not to castigate you or something, but just to make sure I know what to do and I do it on time.
Who is this girl now? Nobody. See the lab, so. What TV this?
What are you doing?
Just calm down, okay? Just calm down. I will take it easy with you.
Calm down, how?
I will take it gently with you. Just give
How do
me.
you take what's easy?
Listen. You want money, right? I'll give you money for
I
something.
don't want money. Please, I don't want. Don't do this to me. I've not done it before. Please.
I know you've not done it before. I promise you I won't hurt you, okay? I will do it easy.
I don't want. I thought you have Auntie Mandy now. Why do you want to do this?
Auntie Mandy, I don't have anything to do with Auntie Mandy, okay?
Hey.
Listen, what do you want? You're a beautiful girl. I'll give you money to start up a business. Just give me the thing. Let me show you. I promise you, I have a very sweet.
I'll tell your parents. I'll shout. Don't do this thing to me. I don't do this thing to
Are you stupid? Oh, because I'm begging you. Listen and listen to me carefully. If you don't give me this thing now, I will level an allegation on you that you stole from me. And you know what that means. You want to end up in the police station. Then give me this thing. You enjoy it. Very long time.
That night, he forced himself on me and took my virginity. Ever since then, I've not been myself because I vow never to give my virginity to any man aside my husband.
My dear baby, like I said before, I've always trusted you. I've always believed you. It's not like I'm doubting now, but I just want you to be sure you are saying the truth. Are you actually saying that Pascal is responsible for your pregnancy?
So you know me too well. Since I moved into this house, I've never lied to you. And besides, what will I gain in doing that? I'm telling you nothing but the truth.
It's okay, my dear. I've heard you. Just to assure you that I'm behind you in all of this, okay? Don't be scared. I will take it up from here. Okay? Just go back to your sleep. We'll talk again tomorrow, okay?
Thank you, sir.
Don't think too much concerning this. I'll handle it. You come and lock your door now.
Now, I'm sorry. I love it, I'm sorry now. I've been begging you since now. I've been apologizing since before we got here. If you truly love me, you manage the mosquito bites now. I was also bitten by mosquitoes, but I've not died. It's not my fault. But mosquitoes also beat me too now.
Obia, you're very stupid. You're just an idiot.
Sorry.
You want a wife, but you can't even take care of yourself.
Sorry, mosquito finished your leg.
What is wrong? Leave me alone. What is wrong? What exactly is your problem? Grown-ass man like you, be squatting with your friend in a one-bedroom apartment. And you want a wife. See, you must be very stupid. If I smack her.
It will not happen again.
Yes, it will never happen again because I am done with you.
Sorry now.
What is wrong with you? You should be ashamed of yourself. Find work for absolutely nothing. You have nothing. You are here talking about love. You are very stupid. Call my number again.
I love it. I've lost this one again. Poverty. It will never be well with you. Hi.
I didn't do it. She's lying.
I said shut up! Nonsense! I'm here talking, you're still lying to me. In my own presence. What's your problem? What has gone wrong with you? How could you do this to this little innocent girl? Oh, because she came to be your house help. And all you could do was to take advantage of her and get her pregnant. And now you're still lying.
Father, you slapped me, Father.
And I'll slap you again.
Father, you slapped me because of this dirty thing, Father.
Father, I told you I did not get her pregnant. Why can't you believe me? Why? Mother! Hey, leave your mother out of this. I know Ebube very well. Right from the first day she came to this house, she has never lied. I have tested her on several occasions. She doesn't lie. I can bet that with my life. She has not lied about this. You did get her pregnant. Nonsense. Now listen to me. You've gotten her pregnant. As a father, I will do the needful. Just get ready. We'll go to her parents, we'll pay her bride price, and we'll bring her home.
God forbid. God forbid.
God forbid what?
I said God forbid. What are you saying? That my son, this my son, will go and... Are you okay? Are you speaking out of your mind? Huh? What are you even saying? That my son got this thing, pregnant. How dare you believe everything you hear from this idiot? Yeah?
Are you done?
Yes, I am done.
I'm not surprised that you could buy your son's cock and bull story. I'm not. Because right from the first day this poor innocent girl came to this home, you never liked her. You hate even her physical appearance. And I've studied you all this while. Now listen, I just want to ask you a simple question. If you have conscience, let your conscience judge you. If she was a daughter, or your sister's daughter, even you putting yourself in her position and you are treated this way, how will you feel? Now listen, if your conscience tells you that, oh, nothing is wrong with it, it is well and good. Well and good. But if not, let your conscience judge you. And quickly, let me tell you, Kaman is an idiot. He goes and comes around and pays you with the right coin. For your information, this is your son's wife.
Let me ask you, are you laying curses on our son?
Oh, he has cursed himself already by his actions.
Oh, nonsense.
Babe.
Oh.
What is going on here?
Nothing, my dear. My daughter, you're welcome. Sweetheart, I want you to go to his room and wait for him to join with us, okay?
Yeah. My dear, I know they will lie to you. I know they won't tell you the truth. Look at them. But as a man and the father of this home, I won't lie to you. This useless son calls himself Pascal, your supposed husband-to-be. God will be pregnant.
What?
And he's denying it.
No. No. It's not possible. I think there's a mix-up somewhere because my pastor cannot do such a thing. He can't. He cannot even get close to this dirty girl. Let alone sleeping with her.
My dear, God will bless you. You see, my daughter-in-law, you understand everything. Wonder how you just buy everything that comes out from this mouth. She just told you something and you accepted it just like that. You see this thing here? This bastard, this liar, pig, that went outside and got herself pregnant with one of the touts on the street, came back here to hang it on my son. Just because you find out that this family has money, you want to come and dig where you did not plant. You fail woefully. You fail!
It's okay, my daughter. Don't worry. I trust and I believe, okay? Don't be scared. Just go to your room.
Thank you, sir.
All right.
What's she doing there? Go to your room. Come on. What is she doing? Get out from there and go to your room. Go to your room.
Father, why are you doing this to me? Father, what have I done to deserve this? Father, do you want to ruin my relationship with Mandy? Why, Father?
Why not really nothing? All I want you to say as my son, say the truth, and only the truth will make you free.
What are you talking about, Father? I did not get her pregnant. I don't understand.
Pregnant!
Baby, let's go.
Please, my darling, both of you can just go to your... See, relax. Relax, my darling. The gold digger is talking and somebody's just buying the item. Look at the pig. So just bought the item just like that. Just see. And if you see, you see. With your eyes, not my eyes.
Transfer?
Yes.
Madam, you don't have cash?
Oh no, I mean, who still moves around with cash these days?
Okay, I'll give you my account number, no problem.
Okay. Okay, what bank?
Ebony Bank.
Account number?
222.
Yeah.
432.
432.
769. Madam, how much did you send?
Check.
Sorry.
Sent.
Sorry, ma, how much did you send? Don't worry.
Just check your phone.
No
okay?
problem.
Right.
Sorry, ma. Can you do me a favor?
Okay, sure.
Are you the owner of this house?
No. It's not my house. It's actually my brother's house. He stays in the States. He'll be coming back soon, so I just want to tidy up everywhere.
Oh, okay. It's your brother's house. Your brother must be very rich. Madam, please. I'm looking for an accommodation. I'm looking for where to stay. Can you please give me your boss quarters or something? I'm actually trying to raise money so I can find a house, an accommodation for myself, but I don't know where to stay now.
I'm sorry, but we don't have spare space. We're not renting. But I mean, what happened to your current place?
Madam, it's a long story. I'm squatting with my friend. But my problem with him is he womanizes too much. He likes women. He brings women every night. Every night they'll be disturbing me. Madam, you know what I mean now. Every night the woman will be screaming.
Okay.
And I cannot sleep at night. Sometimes I have to go outside. So I decided to give them some privacy. I'm looking for my own place so that I can be, I can stay and focus on my work.
That sounds really funny. So you mean to tell me that a good-looking guy like you do not have a girlfriend?
But madam, we're not talking about girlfriends. I'm sorry. I don't have a girlfriend, but that's because finding a girlfriend in this town is very expensive. When you find one, they want you to buy a car or buy a house for them. And I cannot afford that. So I'm trying to work hard. And when I make the type of money I want, I'll just get married straight. I don't have to play around.
Okay, you don't want to spend too much. It's okay, I get it. You're really funny and you seem like a really cool person.
Thank you, ma. Yes, I'm a cool person.
I see. Okay, quick one about what you said. I would speak with my security man and see if he can allow you share his space with him.
Oh, that one.
Yes, his name is Okonta. He's an old man. At least with him you would sleep well.
Okay, thank you, ma.
You're welcome.
Thank you very much, ma. I appreciate it, ma.
Yeah. Okonta.
Thank you, ma.
Okonta, open the gate.
Thank you, ma.
Chiamaka.
God!
Listen, babe. You know I love you so much, right? And I want to spend the rest of my life with you. Babe, you need to trust me. I did not impregnate that girl, babe. You need to believe me. I don't know what she fed my father. He has been acting up lately. I heard her grandmother is a native doctor. Maybe she inherited a witchcraft from her.
You knew all this. And you still let her to stay in this house. Wait. She's even the one preparing meals that you people eat in this house. Thank God you told me about it. See, henceforth I'll not eat anything prepared by her. Before she will give me rat poison to eat and die. So that she will have it all to herself.
So for baby, that girl will leave this house immediately. I don't even know what she's still doing in this house. Listen, my love. And that girl will leave this house immediately. Okay?
Are you sure?
Don't wish to do that. No, I don't want you to get that.
You've already upset.
I'm sorry. I didn't get that. Baby, I can't stoop so low now. Can't you see that girl? A dirty girl for that matter. So, baby, so you're surprising me seriously because you don't trust your man anymore. So listen, I love you.
Okonta. Okonta.
My princess. My princess.
You saw the cab guy that left some minutes ago.
You mean the one that drives Kabu Kabu?
The cab guy.
Okay. Cab guy is his name. Okay. I saw him. Mr. Cab guy.
Okonta, I need him to be staying with you. You have to accommodate him in your security house. He's in distress and I really want to help him for some reason. I just want to help him.
My people, there will be a problem.
A problem?
Yeah.
Do you know him from anywhere?
Well, I don't know him. But there's one word I say that by their fruit you shall know them. I don't trust that boy. Allowing him to stay in this house might cause one problem or the other. Because you look at him, he's a very fine boy. Eh? Remember, you have your maid in Chiamaka. I don't trust him. Even you. Because tomorrow...
Okonta, I have just passed my message and that's fine now. Alright, bye.
it? Why are you crying? I brought you food. Are you that hungry that you can't wait for me to get the food again? Are you already crying? What is it? What is it, Mama? Stop crying. See the food now. Let me feed you.
I don't think all things are well with Ebube, my daughter.
Oh, Mama. So the tears is all about Ebube. By the way, what do you even mean by I'm not sure all is well with Ebube?
And a terrible dream about her last night. Whenever I have such dreams.
Mama, it was just a dream. It was just a dream, Mama. And remember, not all dreams come true. It's okay. It's your food. Okay? Oh yeah, eat. Mama, stop now. I will call Ebube to find out if all is well with her or not.
Are you sure?
I'm sure. I'll call her. Meanwhile, I don't have airtime right now. Once you are done eating this food, I'm going right to get airtime. And once I get it, I'll call her today. Oh yeah, eat your food. Eat. Oh? Mama, eat now. Eat it. Eat. Oh? Eat. Eat it.
No one knows tomorrow. We're on your mechi. Morning, afternoon, and night. Always coming a day with different assignments. You know the truth, you cover it up. Makagini, you know.
Hello, Ebube. I'm fine, and Mama is fine too. Ebube, is everything alright? I'm asking because your voice sounds somehow. I don't know, and Mama has been worried. Ever since she had a dream that she said she saw you, that you were not okay in the dream. Is everything alright? And your voice is not sounding so nice. Hey, hello? Hello, Ebube? Hello? Hello? She cut the call. Ebube never cut the call on me like this before. I hope nothing is wrong with her. Mama could be so right though. Everything is not, all is not well with her. But the problem now is, what do I tell Mama? Okay. Mama, I've spoken with Sister Mo. She was sounding so well. All is well with her, Mama.
Why didn't you bring the phone for me and I to speak?
Mama, do you know that we did not get to finish our conversation? Her battery went flat. Okay, don't worry. When next I call her, I'll give you the phone, okay?
Until I hear her voice, I will not believe you.
Mama, not again. Mama, do you know you're so beautiful? Mama, little one. Achalugo. Mama, don't worry. You will get well. Very soon, we'll be back on your feet. Okay?
Very soon. Do you know what it means for somebody to be down with stroke and high blood pressure?
Mama, there is nothing so difficult for God to do. The only challenge I feel that we're facing right now is financial challenge. Because if we had money, maybe we would have taken you to the hospital by now. and you'll be properly taken care of. But don't worry. I pray that someday the God in heaven shall heal you and you'll be back to your feet again. Mama, smile for me, Mama. Oh yeah, smile. Smile. For me, smile.
Oh, so here you are. All alone. Scheming another evil against my man, right? Your frustration has gotten to an extent that you are accusing him of getting you pregnant. You want to reap where you did not sow. Yes. You really want to reap where you did not sow, right? You have failed. Your plans, it will not work at all. You want to take my man away from me. You cannot, because you are not the same level. And listen, let me warn you. If you know what is good for you, go and apologize to him and tell them who is responsible for this nonsense you're carrying in your womb. Else, you will not like what I will do to you. And I will make sure you're kicked out of this compound to the street where you belong to. Nonsense.
I don't have anything to say to you. Like you said, we are not of the same class.
Yes, you know that.
But that does not mean you're not a woman like me. No matter who you are, we are equal in the eyes of the Lord. So I advise you talk to your man to tell you the truth. How he deceived and got me pregnant because he felt no one will speak for me. But God in heaven is seeing everyone. You can deceive anyone, but you can't deceive God.
No one knows tomorrow. We're on your money.
Look at this girl. So you're walking out on me, right? Ebube! Ebube, come here! Can you imagine? Oh, wait, too. My pastor still so late to speak.
You know the truth. You cover it.
No, this is the shit I'm doing. You need to know the trust me like
You cover it all. You cover it all.
You know this is what you this.
You cover it all. Makifano, Malukwana, Malusiakene, you cover it all. Makifano, Malukwani, is the one you cover it all. Makifano, Makagino, you cover it all. Makifano,
Ah, good morning, ma.
Morning, how are you?
I'm fine, oh. How are you, ma? How was your night? I hope you slept well.
Yeah, sure I did. Oh, and you?
I did.
Okay.
Well done, ma.
I can see you're getting set for work.
Yes, I'm trying to clean the car so I can go to work. Mornings like this, I make a lot of money taking my customers to work and bringing them back at night. Yes.
I like that. You're active.
Thank you, ma. Thank you.
I want you to work for me today. I have some places to go.
Okay, you mean drive you around?
Yes, how much is it going to cost?
Ha! Madam. Madam, I charge a lot for, for a full day job. Madam, I don't know how to charge you. You know you are a very nice person to me, so I don't even know how to go about it.
No, come on. Don't do that to yourself. I'm nice to you. This is your work. Okay? You don't joke with your work. So how much do you charge?
Madam, I don't know how to charge you, but for one full day I can take 100, but because of you I'll take 80,000. Madam, why are you allowing me to charge you now?
No,
I can do it for free.
Nothing, please.
Because you're already nice to me. I can do it for free.
I'll give you 120,000. I hope that's fair. You can keep the change, okay?
120,000.
Yes. So, let me go. Get ready. We'll be right back.
120,000. 120,000. Hey. 120,000.
Yeah, Obiora.
120 naira. Sir?
Obiora.
Sir?
Sir? How many times did I call you?
3 times, sir.
Obiora, this is what you do now. What me and you talk?
Sir, what have I done again?
You asking me?
Yes, sir.
You asking me?
What have I done?
Obiora, the day you enter this house, enter this compound, I warned you that I don't want you to have anything to do with these girls here. I warned you.
Mr. Okonta, what have I done? What have I done? I was here cleaning my car because I'm ready to go to work. The princess walked up to me and said she wants me to drive her around. Am I supposed to ignore her?
So that was why you wanted to kiss her? Eh?
Kiss her?
That was why you wanted to kiss her?
Kiss her? Me?
If not that I did there, they wash you. Your mouth today close your mouth.
Mr. Okonta, what do you want from me? What do you want from me? What do you want from me, Mr. Okonta?
Obiora, be careful. I just warn you. You see these girls, Princess and her maiden, Chiamaka. Keep away from them. Obiora.
Mom, I don't understand what is going on. No, Mom, tell me what is going on. Why is everyone accusing me? I've told you before, I didn't get her pregnant. I am not responsible for her pregnancy.
You know my problem in this whole thing. The way that girl was just saying it in confidence, it shows that there's atom of truth in what she was saying. And let me ask you, what will she gain in lying against you, Pascal? What will she gain if she doesn't know or she wasn't even sure of what she was saying?
Babe, can you listen to yourself? No, can you just listen to yourself? We're talking about a frustrated girl here from a poor home. She will do everything to bring me down. Listen, I won't let this girl intimidate me with her lies. It's not going to happen. I didn't get her pregnant.
Mandy, my dear. Pascal, my son, is right. You know all these frustrated homeless girls that is filtered all over place. Ebube is not an exception now. She can do everything.
Mama, see, honestly, I don't know who to believe in this whole thing. I'm out of here.
Where are you going to?
I'll see you later.
Where are you going to now?
I'll see you later.
Pascal. You know it's both of us, just 2 of us in this room, no one else. Please. I want you to look into my eyes and tell me the truth. Are you responsible for Ebube's pregnancy?
Mom.
Because the way she is so bold without mixing words, the way she's saying it, it's so convincing. And I ask again, are you responsible? Please tell me, and what do you want? Let me handle it from there. Please.
Mom, even you. So you don't trust me, Mom? Mom, you don't trust me?
Excuse me.
No one knows tomorrow. We're on your mechi. Morning, afternoon, and night. Always coming a day with different assignments.
But what's your problem? What is your problem? Why do you want to spoil my relationship with Mandy because of an ordinary pregnancy?
Who is responsible for this ordinary pregnancy? I begged you. I pleaded with you not to do it. You promised to give me everything in this world just to have me. You even threatened to throw me out of this house. And now you want to deny me because you feel I have no one to speak for me. But remember, God is in heaven watching you.
Ibobi, you're talking to me like this. No, Ibobi, now you've grown wings. Now you can challenge me. You're not bold enough to talk when I talk. Me, Pascal. Me, Pascal. Ha! Well, I'm sorry, okay? I know I messed up and I'm really sorry for what I made you go through. Listen, I promise you we can resolve this amicably, okay? I will give you some money to flush that thing in your womb, okay? And then we can just forget about all this mess. Please, I'm begging you.
I'm sorry, Mr. Pascal. I won't do it.
You won't do it? Oh boy, this girl, but you won't do it. You're telling me to my face that you won't do it. I swear to God, I will make the rest of your life miserable.
You can do whatever you want to do. I won't do it. What is all this?
No one knows tomorrow. We're on your mechi. Morning, afternoon, and night. Always coming a day with different assignments. You know the truth. You cover it up. Makagini.
I was coming to open the door. Wait, my princess. I think you're forgetting something.
Welcome, my princess.
Yeah. How are you?
I'm fine.
It's yours. You can have it.
Huh? Mine?
Yeah.
How? My princess, mine?
Yes.
Is it not too much?
Nothing is too much. You deserve it. Look, I like you. You're a good man.
You like me?
No, like, you're a good man. But it's okay. Have fun. See you around.
My princess. Is this not a lot?
No, it isn't.
My princess. Sorry. Please. When is your brother coming back?
Soon.
Soon,
He's busy and needs to tidy up a few things before he comes in.
Oh, okay, no problem. At least I have some time to...
I hope there's no problem.
No, you know...
If you're thinking that my brother is going to throw you out once he comes in, just scrap that, okay? He's my brother and he's not like that.
I know, but at the same time, the house is not my own, so I have to be prepared for anything.
No, come on, you have nothing to worry about.
Okay.
Okay?
No problem. Thank you, ma.
All right.
Thank
See you
you.
around.
Okay. I said, come here.
Sir, you called me.
That bag princess gave you, what is inside that bag?
What?
I said that bag princess gave to you, what is inside that bag?
Okay, the bag. She took it inside.
What are the one you throw inside your
There's nothing in my car.
Yeah, Obiora. Remember, the first day you entered into this compound, I told you that I don't trust you. I thought.
But sir, she took
Why
the
must
bag.
princess buy something for you?
No, she didn't buy anything from you. She just took the bag inside. Yes, sir.
She took the bag inside?
Yes, sir.
So the bag is not inside this car?
No, sir, no.
It's not inside your car? Obiora!
Andy, there's nothing that girl cannot do. For her to come out openly and tell everybody that Pascal got her pregnant, you need to shine your eyes on. You really need to.
My Pascal cannot do that. He cannot do that kind of nonsense. Let alone being responsible for her pregnancy. No, he can't do that to me now.
I don't understand. Yeah, Pascal cannot do that to me. Man, you dey trust man. Man that will just see only the skirts of a woman. Everything don't happen. You're trusting man. I pity you. You better do something about it. Better go back to that house.
So, what should I do about it? Because I'm really confused. I don't know what to do.
Simple. Since the both parents have agreed that you guys will get married, easy. Pack your bags and go back to that house. Yes.
It's too much.
Or see too much. No, stay there. Let another woman come and take care of your man for you.
Oh. I think you have your point there. You're right.
Mandy, it's okay. Just go back. Go back to your... He's your husband already.
No
Since your
problem.
parents have agreed, he's your husband. Just go back to him. Okay?
No problem. I know what to do, okay?
Okay.
Thank you very much.
It's okay. Take care of yourself, okay?
Woman, Pastor, I called both of you for the final time to find out the truth as it concerns Ebube's matter. And I want to ask you for the last time. Pascal, are you responsible for Ebube's pregnancy?
Honestly, Father, this is beginning to piss me off. I did not get her pregnant. Father, why are you forcing me to accept it? Why?
The nonsense you just vomited from your mouth has not answered my question. Simple question. Are you responsible? Yes or no? So that we know how to handle this matter ab initio.
Handle what, Father? Father, are you forcing me to accept what I did not do? Are you forcing me to get married to that girl? How can I stoop so low to sleep with that gold digger, that dirty pig? What is going on, Father?
I don't know why you find it difficult to believe your son. He said that he is not responsible for Ebube's pregnancy. What is there for you to understand? Well, if you don't believe him, I believe him. He is innocent. He knows nothing about that pregnancy.
Woman, it beats me hollow how you could forget so soon what happened a few years back. While our son was in the university, he was accused of rape cases two times. He denied with his life. He swore before me that he was not responsible. And at the end of the day, what happened? If not for my influence, he would have gone to jail. You know how much of my hard-earned money I spent to making sure that he didn't go to jail and he could graduate from the university. Today, we have a similar case. And you are ranting, vouching for your son with such antecedents with your own life. I'm so disappointed at you, woman.
Chief, that was then. And even at that, Chief, he has changed. My son is no longer that person he used to be. He's a changed person. He is not responsible for Ebube's pregnancy. That's final.
I like that. You both have said final. Very good. And I sincerely hope finally you are not the one responsible. This is it. I'll be traveling tomorrow. By the time I come back, I want to believe both of you would have reasoned and you would have been kind and sincere enough to tell your mother the truth. Let me tell you this. If she was worthy enough for you to sleep with and impregnated her, she should be worthy enough to be your life partner all the days of your life. Thank God the child is involved.
God forbid. She can't be my wife. God forbid.
We shall see. Okay.
Very well.
You know the truth.
No mercy.
Makagini. You know the truth. You cover it up. You cover it up.
Why is he accusing me for something?
I don't understand.
Mom, you know me. I can't stoop so low to get that girl pregnant.
I believe you, my son. I stood by you. I'm standing by you. Calm down. Calm down here. I'm your mother. Count on me.
You forgot nothing happened reason. It's not in your hands.
Tobiora, this one you came back from work so early and you are sitting down here thinking. What is your problem? You are not even married, as you have said that maybe your wife has been starving you for the past 6 months. So what is your problem?
Mr. Conte, I don't have a problem. I'm just relaxing. Please, can I ask you a question?
You want to ask me a question?
Yes.
Okay. If what you want to ask me is necessary, you can go ahead and ask me. But if it is not, you better keep your...
Mr. Conte, do you have daughters?
Why do you ask?
Mr. Conte, just go straight to the point and answer the question. Stop being difficult.
Why do you ask? Do you want to kidnap them because I don't trust you?
Conte, I don't want to kidnap your daughters. I just asked the question. Do you have daughters? Grown-up daughters? Daughters who are adults?
Okay. I have grown-up daughters.
Hey,
what about them?
That's good. You know, you just go straight to the point and answer the question instead of, being difficult. Mr. Conte, I have another question for you. Why do some women prefer to follow or to end up with rich men without investigating how they make their money, as opposed to, ending up or marrying men who are still struggling to build their life so that they can grow together? For an instance, I'm a taxi driver, a hard-working one at that. I work hard every day to make a living. If I ask your daughter now to marry me, or one of your daughters, will she marry me?
You ask any of my daughters to marry you, a taxi driver?
Yes.
You. Probably do you know that you are very stupid? You are an idiot. Anyway, let me start answering your question by thanking God that none of my daughters know you, or you know any of my daughters. Before you use this your nonsense fine boy to go and deceive any of them and let that person into marriage and starve her to death.
Mr. Conte, I just asked the question. I said, will your daughter accept to marry me, a taxi driver?
Bobia, shut up! Shut up! Before we go around, shut up! She will not accept to marry because you are a poor man. A taxi driver, look at you. Yeah, come on. If you try that, if I see you 10 miles close to any of my daughters, Makachiku, I will kill you. If I don't kill you, come here, bastard. Have my broken. Look at you. You are looking for him to deceive. If my daughter would have, yeah, but not going to watch a fine again. I beg you. It's okay. I know what to do. And listen to me. Listen to me. If I see you anywhere close to my house or talking to any of my daughters, Makachu, I will turn you to lizard. I will turn you to lizard and sell you to that native daughter, my neighbor, who is a native daughter. I will turn you to lizard and sell you to that native daughter. Idiot. If my daughter will accept to marry you, look at you. Okay, Ngwere, lizard. Idiot.
My daughter, it's not like I do not believe or trust you. I've never doubted all the things you have told me, especially as regards this whole pregnancy thing. But you see, I'll be traveling for a business trip. I'll be away for a few days. When I come back, I want to take some actions. And I want these actions to be based on true information. I just don't want to act so that at the end, I have to blame myself. Please, my daughter, for the very last time, is my son Pascal responsible for this pregnancy?
So I can't lie to you. Pascal, your son, is the first and only man who has seen my nakedness.
It's okay. I believe you. Like I said, I've always trusted you. It's alright. Is Is there anything I should know about you, about your background, your family, your father, your mother, your siblings?
There is nothing interesting about my family. My father died when I was younger. I grew up with my mother and my elder brother. So I don't want to remember my past and add to my current condition. As we speak, my mother is very sick in the village, struggling to survive with the little money I sent to her.
I'm sorry about this. Sorry to hear this story about your family. But it's okay. Can I ask you this question? Would you like to marry my son, Pascal?
So marrying your son is like being in bondage. If you can put me in this condition and deny me, that means I will be in trouble for the rest of my life being his wife. My only problem now is how to face my mother and how to take care of this pregnancy.
Don't worry about these problems you just mentioned. Little problems you just mentioned. When I'm back from my trip, we'll take care of them. Okay?
Alright, sir.
Believe me in this.
Okay, sir.
Hold on, I'm coming. Aunt Mandy, how you doing? Welcome.
Come here. Huh? I say come here. How dare you? How dare you ask me that useless question?
Mandy, what did I do to you? Why did you slap me?
One more word from you, you will get another hot slap. How dare you? Am I too small for you to notice me? Or you don't know how I look like again, right? Listen, let me warn you. I have gone to my man's house to stay. You don't even have the time to sneak into my man's room. I am here to stay.
What is going on here? What is happening here? Mandy. Is that you?
Yes.
So what is going on?
I don't know. As I just came in here, this thing standing here just got me angry.
It's okay. It's okay. It hasn't gotten to the point of what is going on there now, okay? No, she can be stupid at times.
Can you imagine? I came in here calling you or Pascal to know, for you people to know that I'm around. Only for her to ask me who am I in this house. She had the effrontery to question me.
Like I said, calm down. It's okay. She can be stupid at times. It's okay. And those bags?
Dear mine. Mommy, I have come to stay. I have come to stay in my husband-to-be's house. Because I don't want this thing, this idiot, to snatch him away from me.
Yeah?
Yes.
It's okay. It's okay. There's no problem about that. And you, take those bags to their room.
Okay. Don't you dare touch my bag. So you want to carry my bag now upstairs, Abby? So that you will enter that room and start looking around. You want to know how the room looks like, right? Try it now. Just try me. As from today, you're just a slave in this house.
Now that you have refused her to help you, how would you drag those bags upstairs?
Mommy, I will manage. Even if I cannot carry them, Pascal will take them upstairs once we return.
It's okay then. It's okay then. Then go upstairs. And you, leave. I said leave.
I am finished.
This girl gets me upset. I don't even like seeing her. Like her presence irritates me.
Good for nothing. Baby elephant.
I hate her guts. Her presence irritates me.
It's okay. Go to your room, okay? Let's go. Okay.
This bag is crazy. When Pastor comes,
Enjoy yourself.
You can't deny me now, but you can't determine my destiny. Sometimes I wonder what I did. Sometimes I wonder where I go wrong to be suffering this way. Is it my fault to be poor? Is it my
Mama, what is it again? I've been observing you. You have been so moody since morning. What is the problem?
Lady, my daughter, I want to ask you a question.
Go ahead, Mama.
Do you know why youths of nowadays, especially the ones in your age, why they're always happy and healthy?
Mama, this your question sounds so strange. Okay, no, I don't. Tell me why.
I know you will not understand. Like me now, I have been sitting down here and I've been sick. And I don't know if I'm going to survive it. And my only daughter is in the city, struggling, suffering above her age, just to make ends meet, to make sure that she takes care of me.
Mama, you worry too much. I've told you to stop disturbing yourself over Ebube's situation or condition. I'm pretty sure she's fine. Nothing is wrong with her. Besides, if something is wrong with her, she would have sent a message across, or better still, give us a call. It's okay, Mama.
But why is she no longer coming to the village? Has she forgotten she has a helpless old mother in the village?
Mama, not again. You are not helpless, Mama. Besides, Sister Ebube is trying her best. She has been sending money from time to time for your upkeep. So why are you complaining? Okay, see what will happen. Once I'm done washing those clothes, I'm going to give her a call. Is that okay by you?
Yes, that would be good.
If I call her, I'll give you the phone to talk to her, okay?
Until I speak with her, I'll now know if everything is okay with her.
Mama, at this point, I think you are getting yourself worked up. You really need to lie down right now and rest. Oh yeah, lie down, Mama.
I will do that when I feel like.
Lie down, eh?
Yes, I will do that when I feel like.
So I should get back to what I was doing.
So please go back to what you are doing.
It's fine. Alright. Good.
But you have to be patient now. You have to be patient. It's not easy. Nothing good comes easy. Papa, tell Mama to be patient. It's not easy to find the right woman. Women are everywhere, but when it comes to finding a wife, it is very difficult. Go on social media and see what's happening. Women are going naked. This generation is just out of place. They have gone mad. You go on social media, you see all of them are going naked. Is that the type of woman I'll marry? No, Papa, I'll rather marry late. So just exercise some patience. Tell Mama to calm down. To calm down is not the end of the world. Papa, you people have to give me some time, oh. Both of you. Papa, I understand. Just be patient. Give me some more time. I have to search properly. Papa, I'm watching 2 girls right now. One is, I think she's the daughter of a king. And the other one is the daughter of one useless gate man that works in this palace. Papa, just be patient with me. Everything is going to be fine. Just give me some time. I promise I'll make you proud. Tell Mama to calm down. I'll send her money. Okay. Bye-bye. Mr. Okonta, open the gate, I'm late for work.
Huh?
I said open the gate, I'm late for work.
As you open the gate for you?
Yes.
As your boy, as your mega, as your gate man, as who? As you open the gate for you, are there commanding me to come and open the gate. As who? Huh? Yeah. Obiora, Zelum. I'm warning you, Obiora, Zelum. What are we going on? You are late for work. Look at you. You are going to which work do you know that you are going? Which work? You think I don't know your plans? Your plans to go there and start using your fine boy to chase all these small girls. When you come back to this palace, you continue from where you stopped. You think I don't know that you are eyeing princess and that my girl, Jamaka. I know your plan, but your plan will not work. You have failed. I am here. Your plans will not work. Oh.
Mr.
You're asking me to open the gate for you. Look at you.
Mr. Okonta. I don't know why you're not accepting your job as a gate man. What are you here for? Are you not here to open the gate and close the gate? Now I'm ready to go to work. You have refused to open the gate. Why?
So if I'm here to open the gate, it's for you. I will be opening the gate. If my work here is to open the gate and close it, I should be opening the gate and close it for idiot to Okay, continue, honey.
Mr. Okonta, open the gate, I'm late for work.
Which work? You don't know any work, stop deceiving yourself. Oh dear, you don't know any work, stop deceiving yourself. You don't know what you are doing. Don't worry, before you know. I know what you do. You start doing what you know. Don't touch that gate. Don't touch that gate.
Mr. Okonta, I'm late for work. I'm late for work.
Which work?
I'm late for work.
Which work? I have touched that gate. Touch it.
Can you open the gate? Let me go to work.
No, I'm not opening the gate. Touch that gate. Let me know if you are the one that employed me in this job. Yeah, hey. What do you want to do? So if I did not stop you now, you open this gate.
Mr. Okonta, what have I done to you?
The question should be, what have you not done? What have you not done? You have disobeyed 10 commandments. You won't kill it.
How? I want to go out. I'm late for work. Open the gate. Let me go out.
Which you work? Think I don't know you? You are going there to do fine, boy. Looking for all the girls to deceive. Which you work? Make sure never stop deceiving yourself. Okay, fine. I will open this gate on one condition. If I should open this gate for you to go out there for this your nonsense business you are talking about, if it is 6 o'clock and you are not back to this house, I will lock this gate and you will sleep outside. Agreed or not agreed? Deal or not deal? You don't want to talk? You don't want to talk? Go back.
Babe, you look worried. What is the problem?
Please, can I get some money from you? I need to use it and solve that important thing that if we didn't handle it, it will affect our relationship.
Affect our relationship?
Yes.
Babe, what are you talking about?
My love, I'm not really comfortable with it. I think she might have an evil plan or something against us. So please, let's just ask her to do away with her pregnancy.
Babe, I don't know what to do. That girl is so stubborn. I have tried, but she refused, insisting that she will keep the pregnancy. I don't even know what to do right now.
Really? Is that so? It's okay. I'm going to handle it my own way. Either she makes do of that pregnancy or she leaves this house.
Babe, I don't get you. You're going to handle it your own way. What do you intend doing, babe? Babe, make me understand now.
Don't worry, I told you I will handle it.
Babe, you're sure you can handle it?
Of course. Are you giving me the money?
Fine, I will give you in as much as it will allow us to get married in peace.
Okay.
So, tell me, how much are you talking about? Any amount?
Yeah, as long as it's reasonable.
Any amount?
Yes. I don't know, just any amount, but let it be reasonable. Okay?
Okay.
What are you doing in my room? What do you want?
And what sort of question is that? Does this place look like the wretched home where you came from?
Why are you always speaking to me in that manner? What have I done to you?
Why am I always talking to you in that manner? Like as in who? Let me ask you. If you're a human being, why will you be living a frustrated life? I'm asking you. Anyways, that's not the reason why I'm here. Listen, I just want to talk to you in this manner because you're a young girl like me. And I wouldn't want you to suffer more than the way you're suffering already. You might even die on the process of trying to keep this pregnancy. So I advise you should take this money, go to a pharmacy or hospital, do away with it. You know I'm a good person.
Let me ask you. You said you're a good person. And you're giving me money to kill an innocent child. Where is your conscience? Well, sorry to disappoint you. I can't.
I don't even understand you. So you don't want to do it, right? So your plan is for you to stay in this house, keep that pregnancy, maybe one day my husband will take pity on you and make you his wife, right? You are deceiving yourself. And let me tell you, if you insist on keeping this pregnancy, I will make your life a living here in this house. So tell me for the last time, are you going to do it or not?
Over my dead body will I do it?
Over your dead body, will you do it, right? Okay, we shall see.
I sent for you because you are the one that brought this thing called Ebube to my house. But before I go further, did she tell you anything? No, she didn't tell me anything. Is there a problem? There is. Big problem. She's pregnant. What? Pregnant? Who got her pregnant? Whoever that got her pregnant is none of my business. Why I sent for you to come is for you to go with her as you're leaving my house. This minute. Because this thing will not continue to stay in my house. Never. Chime, Ebube, did you hear what your auntie just said? Ebube, are you pregnant? Who got you pregnant, Ebube? Ebube, I'm talking to you. The urchins, street urchins. Ebube, are you pregnant? Talk to me, Ebube. Are you pregnant? Who got you pregnant? Who got you pregnant, Ebube?
I am finished.
I pleaded with him not to do it. I begged him. But he threatened that he's going to throw me out if I didn't comply. Before I knew it, he forced himself on me. Now I'm pregnant. I'm pregnant. I don't know what to do. I don't know what to do. The worst is that he denied the pregnancy and asked me to abort it.
Why didn't you tell me when it happened earlier? At least we would have prevented everything that is happening now. Why?
I was scared. I was scared and ashamed of myself.
It's no matter of being scared or ashamed of yourself. After everything, look at where you have brought us. I don't know what to do or say now anymore. Did I do wrong for bringing you into the city? To make money so that you can take care of your sick mom? That was my intention. Now look at where you have brought all of us. Just see what you have done. Anyways, I don't know what to do. You have to go back to the village and tell your mother. I believe she will understand you. Yes, you cannot stay in my house with this pregnancy. It's not possible. No, there's no way you can stay with this pregnancy now.
Oh, I can't go back to the village. How do you want my mother to feel? How do you want my mother to cope? You know she's sick. How do you want her to cope with this bad news?
It's alright.
Please?
The best I can do for you is to accommodate you in my house this night. Earliest morning, you are on your way to the village. Yes, you need to explain to her. She needs to understand. You explain to her.
Please, I can't face my mother.
You really have to face her. It's all your fault. It's all your fault. You didn't tell me when it happened initially. You would have told me earlier than now.
You what? You postponed your trip? Come on, brother, why? What happened? Oh, come on. I've been here waiting for you to come back. So what am I supposed to do now? This is not fair. So what am I supposed to do? I just have to go back. You don't expect me to stay here? I don't even know when you're coming back. When exactly are you coming back? You're not sure? Have you told Mom and Dad? What do you mean? I miss you, of course. Okay. Alright. Just let me know how everything is going, okay? Yeah, sure. Bye.
My princess. Please, I'm sorry. Did you say you're going back? Please don't go back.
I have to. I mean,
my princess, you can't go back now.
Why?
We need you in this house.
Why?
We like the way you take care of the house. How you know. Just don't go back, my princess. Okay, let me give you a better reason.
Okay.
I've always wanted to tell you this, but I don't know where to start from. And sometimes I'm afraid to tell you.
To tell me what?
My princess, I'm in love with you. I know I expected that reaction because it sounds funny, but that's the truth. I've been meaning to tell you this, but anytime I summon the courage to tell you, I become afraid. I don't know why.
You're in love with me.
Yes, my princess.
You're in love with me. Do you want to date me or do you want to marry me?
My princess, I've not made a choice yet. I've not decided which one I want to do. But the truth is, I'm in love with you. And each time I come up with, my princess, I've not decided on which one to do. But the truth is, anytime I summon the courage to tell you I'm in love with you, something just enters my body and begins to make me feel scared. And if I get scared,
you're a very funny guy.
Ma?
I overheard you on a call with someone and you mentioned my name.
Your name?
Comparing me to one other girl.
When? Okay, that's
so funny. Excuse me.
My princess, can you hear me? Princess, wait, you say... She heard you.
I am finished.
Why are you looking this moody? You're not happy. Is anything the matter?
Thanks, Mama.
Mama is there. She's fine. Meanwhile, you're just coming back. Is that why you are looking like this? Mama's condition does not require this kind of mood. She's getting better by the day. So what is the problem?
Maybe there is a problem. There is a big problem. That's why I keep crying. There is a problem.
What kind of problem? Talk to me. You can talk to me. It's okay. Stop crying.
To be suffering this way. Is it my fault to be born? Is it my fault to be born? No one to
Come, where is Gubi? I've been around for over 1 hour now. Where is she? Who sent her out? Where did she go to?
Ibubu is no longer in her house.
I don't get it. I don't understand. She's no longer in her house. What does that mean? Where is she?
You can't believe what happened. Someone just appeared and claimed responsibility of Ibubu's pregnancy. He said he's responsible for the pregnancy. Do you know what Ebube did? Ebube couldn't even stand us. Ebube ran away, packed her things and ran away. Out of shame. I was telling you. Yeah, I was telling you about that girl. You see that girl?
Let me understand this scenario.
Yes.
Woman. Ebube is pregnant. Somebody came and said he was responsible for her pregnancy. What did you do then? What happened?
What do you expect me to do? What do you expect me to do?
Really?
I should fight the person. I didn't do anything, no. I didn't do anything.
Wait. I'm not confused. Let me not say I'm confused here. Now listen, woman. Somebody gave you her daughter for you to take care of. Yes, she's working for you. You are paying her salary. Now, along the line, useful exuberance, she got pregnant. We've all been trying to find out who was actually responsible for her
Just for a few days, I traveled.
An angel came from the sky. Somebody came from nowhere and claimed responsibility. You allowed the person to go. You congratulated him and he left. You couldn't call the police. You couldn't even arrest that idiot until I'm back.
No, Father. Father, it is not our business. She should carry her cross.
Abi?
Really, son? Sometimes, really, I wonder if I'm actually your father. I don't know where you got this devilish heart from. I've been watching you follow your mother. She's been misleading you. Now listen. You see that innocent girl? Well, I'm convinced you're impregnated. Yes! Her head will judge you. Her head will judge you. You are following your mother's misleading. A time will come. You wish you never drove her. You never joined your mother to commit this evil you have just done to that girl.
Father, I'm not responsible. Father, I don't even understand, Father. Are you blaming me for her misfortune? Mother, what is going on? Why are you blaming me?
Okay. You are very, very stupid. Son, look deep into your heart and turn it to my face that you didn't get that girl pregnant. Listen, I have told you, and I'm telling you again. You see this misfortune, this your devilish act, this evil you have purported, you and your mother, you put on that girl's head. It will haunt you, both of you. And this child you have rejected, you wish you never did what you God can forbid it. We shall see.
Mother, what have I done again now?
Back to sender.
You can forbid it.
It's not your portion, my son.
A time will
Back
come.
to sender.
You will wish you never did what you did to that girl. You will look for that woman. You will not see her. It's okay. I feel very sorry for you. You see your mother? She has lived her life. Where she's going is closer to where she's coming from. You're just starting your life. And you want to follow her evil steps. She's my wife. I've known her all her life. But I feel pity for you. You will look for that woman. You will look for that child. Then it will be too late.
So the guy that impregnated her came to collect.
You see, wait, do I look like a fool? It was when I traveled that one stranger, one angel came from heaven to say he impregnated a baby.
So far, are you trying to tell us that we are liars or what?
What is going on? I hope and I pray when this will backfire, you're able to bear the fire with the sun.
Take me back to that movie and see.
You can watch telly. You can continue. You will have enough stations to watch when the time comes. Oh, dear.
You know the truth. Cover it up.
You like talking like you have anyway, the same block. I'm so pleased. Why don't get me back to what I was seeing?
I'm confused. I'm confused. What will I tell Mama knowing fully well our health condition? What am I going to tell her?
Chai. You mean to tell me that that idiot had the guts to force himself on you, got you pregnant, and not only that, they threw you out of the house? How heartless could they be? You see that thing I've been telling you? If not, how can one man rape and get you pregnant, baby? Eh? If I ever get to that city and get to see that family with this my two eyes, the whole city will gather for all of us. Don't worry. Let's go home first and see Mama.
Ned, I'm afraid. I don't know. What am I going to tell Mama? What am I going to tell her? I'm afraid.
You are afraid of what again? You are afraid to tell Mama that you are pregnant. So when you were doing it, what were you not afraid?
Ned, why would you say things like that? I told you how this man forced himself on me. It's not my fault.
Baby, let's go home first.
You know the truth, you cover it up. Makagini, you know the truth, you cover it up. You cover it all. Makaginio, you cover it all. Makifano, Manukwana, Manusiakene, you cover it all. Makifano, Manukwan is your the one you cover it all. Makaginio, you cover it all. Makifano, you forgot.
My dear, I called you here to have a word with you personally. Your fiancé is upstairs and my mother there. You are aware about what has been happening in my family the past few days. I traveled for a few days before I came back. Ebube had been thrown to the street, not minding her condition. We are home. You see, I'm an old man now. What I'm telling you today, I'm talking to you as a father. And in the near future, you'll remember them.
Yes, sir. I'm aware, but there was nothing I could do to stop them. I even called Ebube before this incident happened to advise her as my fellow girl. I asked her to find her way out of this house before she would be disgraced, but she wouldn't listen. I even pity her condition. I advised her to remove the pregnancy. I offered her to her. At least I was trying to help her. I even gave her money, but she refused to touch the money.
Mandy.
Sir?
If I heard you well, you mean you gave money to a young woman like you to terminate her pregnancy?
No, sir. I did not ask her to terminate the pregnancy. I only asked her to remove the pregnancy. I was just trying to help her so that she will not suffer. I was only trying to help.
What's the difference between termination and removal? Semantics here. Anyway, that aside, before I came back, I noticed that you are not living with us. Your things are here. I don't understand. What are your plans? What are you doing here? What is your plan with my son?
Myself and Pascal, we are planning to get married very soon. But we are only waiting for you to return from your travel.
Interesting. You said your father is late, right?
Yes, sir.
I'm aware you have another brother. Tell him to see me. I want to have a word with him.
Alright, so I will tell him.
Alright. Can you imagine?
What about Mazuko? When was the last time he came?
He came here. He was here last week. The medicine he brought is still remaining small. Though he promised to be here by tomorrow.
Okay. It's fine.
Everywhere.
Mama?
You didn't inform us you're coming. I hope all is well.
Mama, there's no problem. I missed you people, so I decided to come.
Everywhere. I'm not comfortable with this you're coming. My spirit tells me all is not well. Secondly, your body has changed.
Mama, why are you being worried? There's nothing wrong with my body. I'm fine. Okay? I'm okay.
Come close.
Eh?
Come close.
Mama, I'm fine. I'm okay. I'm okay.
Mama, let her be now. She says she's okay. Why are you asking her to come again? Does she look like somebody that is not okay, Mama? Why are you getting yourself worked up?
Ned,
Keep quiet. What do you know? I should know when somebody's body changes, especially my own daughter. Why is Ebube not finding it difficult to come to me?
No, Mama, I'm here with you. There's nothing wrong with me. I'm fine.
Please.
I am finished.
My princess, I'm here.
Yeah. I want to ask you something, and I need you to be truthful.
If you want to ask me is what I know, I will tell you the truth and nothing but the truth.
Okay, good. Obiora told me you have a grown-up daughter. A beautiful one at that.
Yes, I have a beautiful daughter.
Okay. So where is she now?
She's in school. She's in her final year.
I would like to see her.
You would like to see my daughter? My princess, sorry if I may ask. This one you are sending for my daughter, I hope all is well.
Yeah, everything is okay. I want to see her as soon as possible.
But you don't know my daughter. You have not seen her for the first time, so I don't know. I don't know.
Do you have a problem with me seeing your daughter?
Not that I have a problem with that, but
But what? I just want to have a word with her.
No problem. I will send for her maybe. Okay, when do you want to see her?
Tomorrow won't be bad. That's if she's not doing much in school.
It's okay. Maybe I will call her and ask her if she will be chance tomorrow. Whatever she says, I will get back to you.
That'll be fine.
Am I free to go?
Yes, please. That's all.
My princess.
What? What have I done to deserve all this? My only son is in prison. His boss is served for 8 years. Instead of settling him, set him up and sent him to prison. Just because I have nobody to speak for me. My innocent daughter was raped, impregnated, I was sent out. I'm tired, I'm just tired. What do I do? Maybe I don't belong to this world.
Mama, why would you talk like this? You belong here. This place is for you and everyone. Mama, why would you talk like that? I pray that you will be alive to witness your recovery, Mama. Stop.
Mama, I'm sorry. Mama, I'm sorry. I know I messed up. I'm very sorry. I wouldn't have allowed him overpowered me and have access to my body. I'm sorry, Mama. Please, I'm sorry.
It is not your fault, mother. It is not your fault. But if you are trying to resist him and he struggles you to death, what will I do? Yeah? It is okay.
Ma, it's okay.
That's enough. I'm sorry, I know it's enough. It's enough.
Mama, stop crying. Stop crying. Stop crying.
Sister Ebube, you're here. Yes, sir. Welcome. Thank you. Should I help you? Oh, don't worry, I can help myself. What are you doing? Don't tell me you're thinking about that fool again. It's not worth the thinking. Stop it.
Nede, are you seeing what I'm saying?
And what is it that you're seeing that no one has ever seen on earth? I've told you to focus on the future. Stop thinking about what you're passing through right now. God knows the best.
Nede, this is my present condition. I'm not seeing any future in me. Have you ever asked yourself what will become of me in this condition? Mama is sick. I've lost my job. I'm pregnant. Where will I start from? When will this whole thing end? Where will I get money for Mama's treatment? I don't just understand. Everything just happened at once. I don't know where to start from.
Ebube, my sister, stop lamenting. God will provide.
God will provide.
Yes.
God will provide, you say. It's okay. It's fine. Let's watch. God will provide.
It's fine. Oh, I've been meaning to tell you. I want to see if I can take 2 days to go and see my mother. Now that you're around, you know, I couldn't have left Mama in this condition to go and see my mother. And it's been a while I saw her. So now that you're around, let me seize this opportunity to go and see her, okay?
It's fine. That's thoughtful of you. So when are you going?
Probably this evening. I'll leave this evening, then come back a day after tomorrow.
It's fine.
Where is Mama? Has she woken up? Okay, let me go and check. Sister Ebube! Oh, I don't know what is wrong with her. Mama! Oh my goodness, somebody help! Somebody help! Mama! Oh my God! Somebody! Mama!
Papa, I don't understand. Why did you send for me so urgently as if something is about to spoil?
My daughter, you have to relax your mind. Let the princess come back first and told us why she sent for you. Because she called me last night and started asking me one question or the other which I do not understand. But before you know, she said that I should send for you, or she asked me if it's true that I have a beautiful daughter. Like I said, yes, I have a beautiful daughter. She now then said that I should send for you.
The princess, she doesn't even know me. We both have not even seen each other before. Why would she send for me so urgent like that? Papa, did you tell her about me?
This question you just asked me now was exactly the same question I asked her last night when she asked me to send for you, that she want to have a word with you. There's one idiot that's staying with me here, a taxi driver. His name is Obiora. She said that Obiora told her about you, that I have a beautiful daughter, that I should send for you. So she said that it was Obiora that told her about you. So like I said, let's wait for her to come back. Then we hear from her, know what the reason she sent for you.
Okay, oh, let me just wait.
If you go in there, there's a small rice in that pot there. Just eat it. I know you must be hungry.
Papa, this is not about hungry. Do you even know if I have tests in school? You just sent for me so urgent as if something is about to happen right now.
Joy, it's okay now. Let princess come back before you start ranting. Abba.
When are you planning to go to Mandy's
family so that they can perform their marriage rites.
The earlier you realize this truth, the better for both of you. Now listen, he's rejecting Ebube now because she's from a poor home. But you see, when I came asking for your hand in marriage, your family was the poorest in the community. Your family was so poor that you could barely eat 3 square meals. But I looked beyond that and I still went for you. Not minding that you were from a very poor home. But today, you are well to do, you are happy, you have everything at your beck and call. But because Ebube is from a poor home now, no, she cannot be married to your home. He is almighty magic because he's from a poor home. No, like I said before, I didn't put water in my mouth. I am not interested.
I like what you just said. He said we were poor. But you came and you saw what you wanted and you overlooked the poor background. But this one you're forcing my son. Did he pick anything from the girl? Or the girl just lied and just bought the idea, bought whatever she said? I've forgotten that Pascal and Monday has come a long way. It's just difficult. I mean, it can't be possible for them to split. What are you thinking?
He should have realized that he'd gone a long way before condescending to go and impregnate Ebube. And because he has done that, he will marry her.
He did not impregnate Ebube. And besides, Mandy is pregnant.
Oh, well.
Pascal.
Oh, well and good. Congratulations. Sharp boy. 2 children ahead of him.
Really?
You know the truth, you cover it up. Makagini, you know the truth, you cover it up. You cover it up.
I called for this meeting, and I have my reasons. Ogunta, I specifically told you to bring your daughter, and it is for a reason. What's your name?
My name is Joy.
Joy. Obiora.
My princess.
You told me something some days back. I need you to repeat that same thing before them.
Is everything okay?
You're asking me if I slap you, and you shut up. You're asking me if everything is okay. Idiot.
I'm sorry, Your Highness. Thank you for this opportunity. I'll go straight to the point, without wasting your time, my princess. I remember telling you that I want to settle down. I'm old enough to get married. And I have my eyes on 2 women, Your Highness.
Can you tell us who those 2 lucky women are?
My princess, you're one of them. And Mr. Okonta's daughter is also my second choice.
My daughter? I used to... wait. You want to... You are stupid.
Papa, who is this?
He's that idiot I was telling you about. That fool.
And he really looks like an idiot with his Papalolos cap. Do you have a job? Like, do you have anything doing?
Yes, ma'am.
What is your job?
I'm a professional taxi driver.
Taxi driver or conductor?
I drive a Toyota Camry.
Do you look like a fool?
No, ma'am.
He's not the owner of the car.
I own the car.
Who does you? You own the car. Who does you?
I own the car. The car belongs to me.
Okay.
Hey.
Obiora.
Your Highness.
You want to marry me?
Your Highness, it will be a dream come true.
Do you think you're capable of making me your bride?
Your Highness, I'm more than capable. I'm a very hardworking man. I wake up 7 o'clock in the morning, I have my bath, I go out to work at 8 a.m. and I come back at 9 p.m. And within those hours, I make 10,000 naira every day. And if you multiply it by 30 days, that's 300,000. I make good money, I can take care of you, ma.
And so you expect me to live off your cheap earnings?
Answer her.
Your Highness, don't underestimate what I can do as a man.
Papa, so it's because of this thing that you called me all the way from school. Like, can you afford my hair? Do you know how much I spend in school? Can you pay my school fees?
How much is your school?
You're stupid. Like, you're mad. Sure it. Like, what can you do for me? You failed guy. Can you buy my cream? My hair, hello? My shoes? What can you offer me, this stupid failed boy?
Look at him.
Look at your legs.
I'm sorry, what cream do you use? Vaseline. I can afford to buy a Vaseline.
What? Do you know you're an idiot?
No, sir.
My daughter using Vaseline and key soap.
Joy soap.
I don't blame you. Father, this is your handwork. Okay? But hey, sure it. I'm still talking. No, who are you?
You said I can't afford to buy your cream.
Of course, you can't.
What have I done? I just said that.
It's okay, please. Okonta, you can go with your friend, okay?
Thank you very much, Your Highness.
Who is my friend? This one, my friend. This idiot, my friend.
I'll be expecting a reply from you, Your Highness.
My princess.
Thank you, my princess.
You like this idiot?
He's a bold man.
Bold. Wait. Hey, Dada, hey.
Please sit.
Hey. Come back here. Come back here.
My in-law, what is wrong?
Are you mad?
My in-law, why are you holding my shirt?
You are stupid. You are an idiot. Who is your in-law?
Mr. Konta.
Okay, who is your in-law?
Mr. Konta, you are my in-law.
Wait, let me ask you. What was the meaning of that thing you just said inside?
What did I say? Did I say something wrong?
Abiola, from the day princess brought you into this house, I told you that I don't trust you. But what I will not take is that nonsense in my family.
Mr. Konta, what have I done? What did I do wrong?
What doesn't have the manage your mother? You opened your mouth and said that you want to. You have an eye on my daughter. Are you mad?
Oh, sorry, I didn't tell. Of course, I have an eye on your daughter. I like her, and I want to marry her.
So if I ask you to come and marry my daughter now, you will come.
Of course.
Can you feed her? Can you buy her clothes? Can you take care of her needs?
Mr. Konta, why are you embarrassing me?
You are an idiot. I'm embarrassing you. You have not seen embarrassment. You are telling me that you want to marry my daughter.
Did I say anything wrong by saying I want to marry your daughter?
You said everything wrong in this world. Everything that is wrong in this world, you have said it. You want to marry my daughter. Look at you.
Mr. Konta, I have respect for elderly people. I am going to discontinue this conversation. Thank you very much.
Yeah. Obiola, keep away from my family. Look at this idiot. You want to marry my daughter? Hey, Okonte tabo na fu get man nka na aro. Ay. Mma ko am ibi akwa.
Sir, that was exactly what happened. Your wife called me on phone and said I should come and see her. On getting here, she said because I was the person that brought Ebube to her house, that I should take her home. That she does not have need for her anymore. Later, Ebube now told me everything that happened. Honestly, sir, I'm not happy with your family. Especially your wife and your son.
I must confess to you, I'm shocked. I'm surprised there. This is quite different from the story I was told when I came back. My wife said a certain fellow came to the house and claimed responsibility that he was the one responsible for Ebube's pregnancy. Ebube, hearing that, out of shame and embarrassment, picked her things and ran away from the house.
That's a lie. No man came here to say anything. What I told you is exactly what happened, sir.
I knew it. When they were saying the story, I knew it was a cooked up story. The cook and boo stories, I couldn't just dot the lines. I knew it. Well, it's okay. Since she was not here to defend herself, there was nothing I could do.
But it's okay, but talk to me. Where is she now? How is she? How's she doing?
Sir, there is a very big problem.
Oh, what happened?
When Obe got to the village to see her mother, she told her everything that happened. You know, a woman that depended on her daughter to make little money to take care of her. She couldn't bear the shock, seeing Ebube's condition. The next day, we heard that the woman died.
Oh, no. Tell me this is not true.
It's true.
Oh, my God. Oh! What a shame. But should have stayed in your house now. She knew her mother's condition. With the way she wears, with her own condition, she should know her mother seeing her that way. She would have been heartbroken and see what has happened now. No. Lucy! Pascal! Where are you? Oh, God.
What is going on? Why are you calling Lucy like that?
Oh, there's a breaking news for you.
Okay.
World news. Government special announcement just for you. Congratulations. Your wickedness, your devilish heart, your hard-heartedness.
Father, what is it now? What is the problem?
Your wickedness, your hard-heartedness, your crooked and callous life has caused Ebube's mother's life. She died because of your stupid and wild stories. I came back to this house, you said Ebube, somebody came, down, she picked at me and she left. Now just hear the truth now. That you and your mother, you cooked up the story and drove that girl away. She went to the village, her mother seen her, she was heartbroken and she died. Congratulations.
I have turned my husband into a woman.
Yes.
Talking like a woman.
Very good. I said, go and celebrate. It's time for your Ofala celebration. Just go ahead. But let me tell you one thing. You will remember me. There's something called karma. It doesn't respect age or status. And when it comes, we'll pay you with your exact coins. Yes!
I don't know what
you won't understand until then.
I did not do anything.
It's alright.
I did not do anything. What's going on, sir?
You know the truth, you cover it up. Like a guinea, you know the truth, you cover it up. You cover it up. Like a guinea.
We shall see. I will be here. I will be here. Oh, my dear.
You cover it up. You cover it up. You cover it all. You forgot nothing happened without reason. It's not in your hands to determine the destiny of others.
Not again. Don't you think you're being too hard on yourself?
Do you want to hurt yourself? Do you want to kill yourself and die together with your mother? Ebube, come on. Stop. Everything is going to be alright. I understand exactly how you feel.
Lady, what are you saying? What are you saying, Lady? When is it going to get better when all hope is lost? My only brother is in the prison for the past 5 years for something he knew nothing about. No hope of when he's coming out. And now my mother is dead. Nedi, just take a good look at my condition. Take a good look at me. Nedi, who is going to take care of me in this condition? Who is going to take care of me? Who is going to take care of me and this pregnancy, Nedi?
Hey, baby, that fool. That fool will take care of you and your baby. You are his responsibility. This pregnancy is his responsibility. He cannot get you pregnant. And he's over there living a soft life while you are here suffering, Ebube. You cannot hurt yourself. I think at this point we are going to the city to go and meet this guy. No! He's not going to get away with this.
Nedi, you can't do anything to those people. They have money. We don't. If you do anything stupid, they will arrest us and put us in prison for the rest of our lives. Can't do anything.
I don't care. So be it. So be it, Ebube. Do I look like I care? Ebube, I am going to that city. If they refuse to cooperate, this time around, I am going there with my full chest. They are not going to do anything. That guy will take care of you and this pregnancy. Let me go inside and keep on my
I was actually coming to meet you.
Good morning, my princess.
Morning.
I hope you slept well.
Here.
Oh, you want me to go to the market?
These are the list of things that I need.
Okay, from the market. Okay, I'll go and buy them for you. Huh?
You're getting it with your money.
Sorry, what is this? Huh?
I believe you can read, right?
750,000. Brazilian hair, 750,000. Sorry, I thought you wanted me to go to the market to buy.
I thought you said you wanted to marry me. You want to be my husband, right?
Okay.
So let's start from here.
Sorry, Martha. I cannot afford this easily.
I need all of this before the end of today. That's certainly not what I want to hear.
Well, 750,000 is too much.
I don't care. How is that my business?
Obiora.
Yes?
Take.
Sorry, what is this?
I wanted to get me these things. It's few things. Take it.
For what exactly? Louis Vuitton bag. $2,000. $2,000!
Yes. Can't you afford it? I thought you want to get married to me.
Hold on. I said my eyes are on you. I've not concluded yet. I said I'm here to make my choice.
Obiora, look, I'm a pretty girl. Like, I need things. I'm in school. I need hairs, shoes, bags, you know?
Sorry, please. Has your father, Mr. Okonta, seen $2,000 before?
Obiora, you want to get married to me, right? Please get those things for me. I don't understand.
Sorry, is this your marriage list?
This is not my marriage list.
My princess, I want to marry you, but the money here is too much.
I need all of this.
Which one exactly?
All of this.
There's Brazilian here. There's
before the
Brazilian.
end of
There's
today.
Italian shoe, Italian shirt. Italian shirt.
Lest I forget, a wristwatch.
Wristwatch.
Yes. I need pizza and ice cream. Okay. Shawarma.
Sorry, you said what?
Pizza, shawarma. Like the sun is hot. I need something.
Pizza, shawarma, and ice cream.
Yes.
Excuse me. What are we doing here?
I don't understand. You don't want to marry me
is
anymore.
that part of the marriage list?
No.
Pizza, shawarma, and ice cream.
Get
so
that
what's the
me.
name of your village? Where are you from? Pizza, shawarma, ice cream.
I am finished.
Madam, is everything all right? Hello? Madam? Hello? Yellow? Yellow?
Okay, she's fine.
She's fine?
Yes, sir.
Since I carried two of you, she has not said anything. Are you sure she's alive?
She's alright, Oga.
Hello?
Sir, you don't need to bother yourself. It's a long story.
What is the problem?
At this point, I think she needs to be left alone.
She needs to be left alone.
Yes. What she needs right now is time.
Who broke her heart? Somebody broke her heart.
Okay, you are getting yourself worked up. Sure.
No problem. No. I'm just concerned. That's all.
Thanks for your concern.
If you say so. Please, are we close?
If he's asking you, is it left or right?
Right or left? Left, right, right, left.
Right, left.
Please, where's your house?
She said left. She said left.
Huh? You want to speak to me? But I'm calling you and you're not answering.
I was scared because you're the parents we just met today. You want to speak to me? Yes, sir.
But I've been trying to talk to you, you refuse to talk.
I'm sorry.
Huh?
I was scared considering the fact we just met.
You were scared of who? You were scared that we just met today? Huh? How? What happened? But you said she was okay. Madam, you want to say something? What happened?
Show me mercy. For my hope is in you.
Who is dragging me like that now?
Yeah. Joy! Joy!
Papa!
What is wrong with you? Huh? Are you mad? What is your problem?
What did I do?
As I was coming back, I saw that useless boy, that stupid boy, Obia. And he showed me the list of the things you gave to him to buy for you. What was that for? Huh? Did I not warn you that I don't want you to have anything to do with that boy? Did I not warn you? I don't have the guts to give him the list of the things you want him to buy for you. Why?
Papa, it's not my fault. You know I'm not this kind of girl that requests things from men. It is the princess that asked me to do that. He said I'm even tired of the whole thing. Like I'm tired already. It's the princess. She asked me to give him a list. First thing tomorrow morning, please, I'm going back to school.
Good. Yes. That is even what I wanted to tell you. But that will be next week. So that I can then run around and get you the things you go back with. You need to go back to school so that this whole nonsense will stop.
You're correct.
And where's Princess?
Princess? Oh, one car came to carry her and her maid out. Yeah.
Okay, you can go.
I was doing something.
What are you doing at that backyard?
I'm coming.
Yeah? Are you sure that your girl is not there? I saw him as I was coming back. He's not there.
What are you doing here? And who are these people?
Madam, calm down. We come in peace. Where's your son?
I am asking you a question. Who are you? And you're there telling me rubbish. What kind of stupid question is that? Who are you?
Madam, point of correction. My question was not stupid. I only asked after your son. Anyways, my name is Obiora. I'm a taxi driver. And these are my friends.
Taxi driver?
Yes.
Birds of the same feather. No wonder. And you are with this good digger. Well, taxi driver. My son is too big to be here with you. You are just a nobody for my son to stand with you. So whatever message you think you have, let me have it so I can send it across.
Madam, you called me a nobody.
You are a nobody.
I'm a nobody?
Yes.
Madam, you called me a nobody. Okay. You remember what I said before? I said, I came in peace. It doesn't mean I cannot give you war. Quietly call your son. Let us discuss the reason that brought us here. And we'll go away. We'll go in peace. Simple.
You say whatever rubbish you want to say and get out of here.
Hey, Mama. Jide bang. Hold it there. What is wrong with you? Is it because he's being polite? I don't get it. If you don't bring out your son right here and right now, I'm going to show you the stuff I am made of. Forget my size, oh, yeah? If you don't bring him out now, I'm going to turn this whole building upside down. What is wrong with you? Of course.
Forget your size.
Forget my size.
Of course. Because you are not up to what I feed my dogs. And if you make noise, I will lose them. They will tear you into two. Who the hell do you think you are? Will you shut up?
Oh!
Is it not these urchins and this gold guy?
You again.
No.
Why did you not know the name?
My name is Obiora. What's your name?
Pascal.
Pascal. Is he the one? Look at it very well. Is he the one?
Yes, he's the one.
He's a common taxi driver.
How may I help you?
Young man, where is your father?
He traveled.
When is he coming back?
Sometime next week.
Sir, do you know this girl?
Yes.
Okay. So that means everything she told me about you is true.
I don't understand.
Do you know she's pregnant for you?
For who?
Do you know she's carrying your child?
Oga, are you mad?
No, are you a policeman?
Oh yeah, get her from here now.
Taxi driver.
I should get out.
I should get her from here!
I should get out.
What's going on?
Get out!
You are telling me to get out.
I said leave!
I should get out.
Mom. Outside.
Let's go.
You have guts.
Outside, you. Aya, two of you. Outside! Everybody, outside!
Get out!
And you, listen, if I see you here again, I'll skin you alive.
Out! Let's go.
You're a good digger.
Idiot.
If you like, go and bring medicine. Don't worry that I'm on the streets like you.
We shall see.
Use the door.
The both of you will regret this.
We shall see.
Outside, everybody. Outside.
It's you that shall see.
You know the truth.
Are you sure he's not the one that impregnated?
What do you know?
Because they were there making noise and now this taxi driver. And you're busy answering the questions as if
Because I didn't know.
He's a taxi driver. Come on, he's not even up to cabman. I didn't know. I didn't even just know what happened. Eh? Look at this gold digger. What does she want?
I think I understand what is going on. But don't worry. It's not the end of the world. It is not the end of the world. We are going to come back when their father comes back.
Okay.
Do you understand? We are going to return when their father comes back. Hi. Where are you going from here? Where are you going from here?
Sir, see, the thing is that we don't really have any other place to go to.
You don't have any other place to go?
No, except going back to the village.
To the village?
Yes, that our village house is the only place we can go to now. And you know, going back to that village means bringing back the memories of our late mother. And those memories are not good for my sister Ibube and her condition right now. I don't know.
You don't have where to stay?
We don't have any place to stay.
I'm squatting with someone. Where I live. I would have asked you to follow me. The house I'm staying does not belong to me. In fact, he's a security man. I had some accommodation issues. Then I tried to get somewhere to stay and they give me shelter. However, I can ask them to allow you people to stay by the gate. Eh?
Okay.
But how will you sleep?
We don't mind.
Yes. You don't mind?
Even if it's outside. Yes, we can stay anywhere.
You don't mind staying outside the gate?
Even inside toilet, we can stay inside the toilet. Anywhere.
But you are girls.
It's not a problem, sir.
What about your safety?
Sir, it's not a problem.
You said you don't mind staying outside the gate.
Yes.
Not inside the...
Anywhere.
Okay, now come with me. I'll plead on your behalf to stay outside the gate.
Thank you, sir.
Outside the gate, though. I didn't say inside, though.
Young lady, are you sure your stories are true?
My princess, she's telling the truth, though. I witnessed everything. In fact, that family are very terrible human beings. The mother, the son, wicked people. Trust me. At some point, I told myself, you have to go there and find out what the problem really is. Because why would anybody treat anybody like this? Eh? My princess, I had to bring them here because they don't have anywhere to go. I know, I just know that when I talk to you about it, you give them a listening ear.
Your story is quite touching. But then I'm curious, Obiora, why did you bring them here?
My princess, just like I said, they don't have anywhere else to go to. I know you're a very kind person and you give them a listening ear. I had to tell them to follow me. I told them I'll talk to you and I'll let them know anything you say. But I actually said to them that you're a very kind person and they don't mind staying outside the compound. They just want a place to lay their head, that's all.
She can stay outside, considering her condition.
Thank you, my princess. Thank you. Thank you.
Well, I'll see what I can do. It's really not comfortable for me. But then I'll do something.
Thank you, my princess. Thanks a lot.
Yeah. Obio. Hey, so you're married? And you came here to receive the princess and my daughter? Hey, thank God my daughter didn't take you serious.
Mr. Okonta, I never told you I was married. When did I say that to you? When?
If you dare ask me that useless question again, Tonta will fire you. Oh, that pregnant lady you brought in here and introduced her to the princess. Yeah. Obio, where did you get this charm you are using in deceiving the princess? The other day, you told the princess that she's your wife to be. Today, you brought in a pregnant woman and introduced her to the princess and she accepted her without any objection.
Mr. Okonta, point of correction. The lady you saw is not my wife.
She's not your wife.
She needed help. She needed assistance. So I brought her to the princess to help her. That's all.
Mr. Helper. Mr. Helper. Yeah. Go to. Hey, thank God my daughter didn't take this job serious. But when I go over here, who is preparing the charm for me? Obiola.
Thank you for giving us audience. Sir, Ebube told me in confidence that your son, Mr. Pascal, raped her and got her pregnant. As we speak, she's pregnant for Mr. Pascal, your son. When she told me, I had every right to take her to the police station to make an entry. But on a second thought, I said no. Let me bring her here. Because I'm sure Mr. Pascal has a father. When we got here, we met your wife and your son. They were very rude to us. Extremely rude. In fact, your son asked us to walk out. Your wife said she was going to release your dogs on us. They said you were not around, that you'll be back the following week, which is why we have come back. Sir, are you aware that your son raped Ebube and got her pregnant?
You're welcome to my house, but before anything, who are you to Ebube, please?
Oh, she's my relative.
Oh, it's okay. Once again, you're welcome. Like I was saying, I'm sorry for the way you were treated when I was away. I don't know what Ebube told you. Whatever she told you, I'm very convinced she said the truth. Because Ebube stayed with me for a while. I didn't have any reason to doubt her. She never lied to me. She never stole anything from this house. I can vouch for her. I don't know, but it's okay. Myself, I'm confused about the whole thing. I've asked him 1,000 times. He said he's not responsible. I've left him to his conscience.
Can you ask your son one more time, in the presence of everyone, who is responsible for this pregnancy?
Okay, are you mad? No. Are you stupid? I said I'm not responsible for the pregnancy. What is all this nonsense? Dad, I can't stoop so low to sleep with this dirty girl. See, listen. You're looking for my trouble. Excuse me.
Well, it's okay. You've seen for yourself. But Ebube, never mind. I'll send you some good money so you can take care of yourself and your born baby. Maybe pay the hospital bills, okay? Rest assured.
Thank you, sir.
It's all right, my dear.
Thank you, sir.
I am finished.
Come on, wake up. My princess, is there any problem? No, there's no problem. You both should come inside. I have a spare room inside. I mean, this place is not conducive for the baby. So come in. Yeah, we should come inside. Yes. Get your wrappers, whatever. Just come in. Alright. Hurry up.
Sometimes I wonder where I go wrong to be suffering this way. Is it my fault to be born? Is it
talk to.
Ned, I'm as confused as you are. Do you know what will happen? They just sleep on this bed. Wake up on this bed. Then you know you're not dreaming. It's like that. Let's take it as a dream. Bed is bouncing.
When it comes to relationships, if there's a night show me mercy for my hope is in you. It may be
Something like that.
Come in. Good morning, sir. Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Yes, sir.
People are still sleeping.
Yes, sir.
By this time. I brought breakfast.
That's so kind of you.
Thank you. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
The big cup is cold. The small cup is hot.
Okay, sir.
There's milk, there's bread, and there's sugar. Yes. How's the baby?
The baby is fine.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Sir, thank you. God bless you.
Hey, that's fine. Did you sleep well?
Yes, I did. And you? How was your night?
My night?
Yes, sir.
My night was fine. Yes. And you, how was your night?
Me?
No, me.
My night was fine, sir.
Okay. If you need anything, just let me know, eh?
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Sorry, when do people wake up in the morning?
Sir, the thing is that it's not like we are used to waking up late. We slept late last night.
We slept.
Okay, you didn't sleep early?
Yeah, we slept late last night. That's why.
Okay, you slept late?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Is there something you would want me to do for you?
No. If you need anything, let me know.
Okay, sir.
Huh?
Sir, God bless you.
And bless you too.
Thank you, sir.
Bye-bye, sir.
See you later.
All right, sir. Bye-bye. Thank you. God bless you, sir.
What are you trying to do?
What am I trying to do? Can't you see I'm pregnant and I need food?
Take it easy now.
Take what easy. Can't you see I'm pregnant? I need this food.
See, be conscious of the nylon. Calm down. You're not remain for me.
Sorry. It's okay. Sorry. We're going. You have to go. Sorry. Let me. Guys, even open already.
It's over.
Sorry. Gently. Sorry.
Just take a deep breath.
Sorry.
Breathe.
Sorry. It's okay. Sorry.
Don't forget me.
No problem.
Let me know how it's going.
Good afternoon, sir.
Oga, what are you doing in my house?
Sir?
Oga, what are you doing in my house?
No, I came to tell you that Ebube is in labor. She's about to put to bed, but they asked me to bring some money for the hospital bill.
And how is that my business? No, how is that my business?
Sir, are you not the father of the child?
Did I tell you I'm the father of the child?
She said you are the father of the child.
Did I tell you that I'm the father of the child?
Sir, why?
It is obvious that you're trying me, right? You know, you want to see what I will do to you,
sir,
right?
No, I just said She's in labor. They need some money to pay hospital bills.
And how is that my business?
Sir, it's your business because you are the father of the child.
Okay, leave my house now.
Sir, I don't understand. I'm not here to make trouble with you. I just came to get some money, so I'll add it to the one I have, so we can pay the hospital bills.
If you don't leave my house right now, I will get you arrested.
Arrested for what? Okay, I'm trying to help you.
You are trying to help? Are you stupid? Is it my child?
You're the father of the child. That's what she said now.
I'm the father of the child?
Yeah, she told me on the story.
She told you I'm the father of the child?
She told me you raped her.
Yeah.
Okay, she told me so many things, so.
It is obvious that
she said you are just big and you have small penis.
You are testing my baby. You will see what now. No, you are trying me. You want to see what I'll do to you, right? No, you want to test my patience now, Abi? You want to test my patience? Sorry.
Are you not the father of the child? She described you. She said you are big and you have small penis. That's what she told me. And now you are denying.
How do you know I have small penis? You are just wait for.
I'm trying to help you and you are denying your responsibility.
No problem. You will sleep.
So I should come and take care of your child.
Are you my secretary from my house? Are you stupid? No, you want to try me, right?
Try you? I'm trying to help you.
Okay, leave my house now.
You're back. How did it go?
Oh yeah. Let's go to bed.
Wow, this is good news.
It was crazy, but
like a boy or a girl?
A boy, actually.
A boy?
Yes.
Whoa.
It was very tough, but eventually everything happened, and to God be the glory.
This is amazing.
Yes.
So meanwhile, were you able to do what I asked you to do?
Oh yes, I did. It was terrible. They tried to fight me. They insulted me. They were very rude, but I was able to pass across my message and told them that it is important they, take their hands off the child so that she can move on with her life. Exactly.
Well, it's okay. You've done your part. What about the hospital bill? Have you cleared that up?
I give them something, but I'm here to give them the balance.
Okay, so if you need me to step in, just let me know, okay?
No problem, I will.
Okay. Let me tell Chiamaka to make something for her.
Okay, no problem. That's fine.
All
Thank
right,
you.
See you. Yeah. Boy. Wow.
Princess, you sent for me.
Yes, it. Yeah. So the last time we spoke, you told me that you're looking for a girl to marry. A well-behaved girl, cultured girl. And so far you piqued interest in me. Well, I like you, like I always say. You're a funny guy, cute, hardworking person, which I admire so much about you. But then I want to tell you that I am in a serious relationship, which would eventually lead to marriage. But I've been watching Ebube closely. She seemed like a really nice girl. And I've also seen your relationship with her. I think you should talk to her. Let her know your intentions. She's the kind of girl I believe would give you peace in marriage. So give her a shot. If you're feeling shy to talk to her, I don't mind stepping in for you as a friend.
My princess, I don't know how to thank you. Thank you so much for your understanding and your maturity. In fact, to cut a long story short, I was thinking of how to have this conversation with you, but in return, you're the one asking me to sit down and you're the one telling me all of this. I really appreciate and thank you for your kindness.
It's okay. You have my permission and my blessings, of course. And I wish you best of luck.
Thank you very much. Thank you. I'll give you a feedback.
So when do you intend talking to her? Today, tomorrow?
I don't know, but I'll give you feedback.
You're a sharp guy. I know you're gonna talk to her today. Okay. So that'll be all.
Thank you.
Yeah.
So how is the baby?
He's fine, he's sleeping.
Oh, that's nice.
Obiora, I want to say a very big thank you for everything. Without you, I don't know what would have been my fate.
Ebube, you're welcome. My advice to you is always be positive. A lot of good things can happen when you're positive. Always put your trust in God and remain positive. It's important. Promise me you're going to be positive.
I promise.
You're going to think positively.
Yes.
Good. Ebube, there's something I've always wanted to ask you.
Okay.
I've had it on my mind for a very long time. And something keeps telling me, ask her. But this is the right time. So are you ready for my question?
Yes, I'm ready. What is it?
And when I ask you the question, it might sound somehow to you, but please just accept it. You know, questions deserve answers. Sometimes it might be no, sometimes it might be yes. But just hear my question first.
Okay.
Are you ready for the question?
Yes, I'm ready.
So, Ebube,
Yes.
let's say something happens and an opportunity presents itself, and somehow I just ask you this very funny question, and the question goes like this: will you marry me? What will you say?
Are you serious or you're joking?
I'm serious. I'm not joking. Okay, maybe you didn't understand my question. I said, what if an opportunity presents itself and somehow I just say, will you marry me? What are you going to do? Will you marry me? But wait, before you answer the question, I don't have money. I'm a taxi driver. But I am very, very sure that you will not go hungry because I'm a hard-working taxi driver. I will make sure I make money every day to feed you. I promise when you marry me, I'm going to be very hard-working and I will give you food to eat every day. With me, you will never go hungry.
If the opportunity comes, I will marry you, Obiora, with or without money.
Eh?
Yes.
You marry me with or without money?
Yes.
Are you serious?
I'm serious.
Do you know how fine you are? So you marry a man without money?
Yes.
A taxi driver? You marry me? Are you serious? Our children will be...
Wait. I don't understand. Make me understand. Like, I don't really get it.
Neddy, what don't you understand? Okay, let me rephrase. I said Obiora asked me to marry him. I said...
Oh, finally! After all these years of suffering, God has finally remembered us.
God, I'm so happy for you, my
Thank
sister. Oh.
I know the money is not there yet, but I strongly believe it will come. At least the both of you will hustle and build a home.
Yeah, I believe money will come.
It will. It sure will.
Thank you for everything. Thank you.
It's my pleasure.
You can't deny me now, but you can't determine my destiny. Sometimes I wonder